da 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 la da 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 da. All right, welcome back to Morning Monday. What's up, everyone? We got another Kaupen cat ears over here. Hello. Yo, we got Not F-Toy, Nyani, Ultra Banana Gamer, as well as Azu Banana. Both bananas over here. Hello there. Monster Monkey, Kyanite Mods. Yeah, of course. We got Death God over here as well. Terra Turtle to Terra. Maddie Robert also with then hello over here. Cat Ears Pog. Absolutely. You know, sometimes we just gotta, not the cat ears. Lol. What do you mean, not the cat ears? Everyone's usually hype. You're the best banana. Listen, okay? We can have multiple bananas over here, okay? That's not, Also, Hamza, hello. 7 days I had the Kaupen Shakes, okay? Yo, hello. Nano Aquila as well. Let me just turn this down a little bit over here. Well, I'm wearing the Kaupen cat ears over here, the cat ears, for a momentous occasion, of course. And that is, will you be playing chess today? Actually, yes, I will. I will be playing chess today. That is the plan. I want to, I'm actually, when we're at the part where I'm playing chess, I actually want to run a little bit by chat, just, as a basic question. Maybe you're going to like it or maybe not. But I'm planning to do like a little bit of chess content. Will you play with me? You didn't play with me last time. Yes, I actually would like to play with you when when we're at that point. Teach me how to be better at Minecraft modding. Well, I mean, I got plenty of tutorials, so it's probably the best place to start, I would imagine. Otherwise, I also have some pretty cool modding tips as well. Those can also always help. Yeah, Luke, open cat ears, indeed. I have the cat ears today because what I plan to do is add, well, not only cat ears to the slimes, but also a lot of other stuff. Also, wait, what cat ears with slimes? What do you mean, what cat ears with slimes? Have you not seen the... Why is the image not there? That is, like, really stupid. I actually added an image before into the Twitch notifications, and it did not add the image. This is, of course, going to decrease engagement rate. People are going to be like, it's not that interesting. I'm just going to throw it into the stream announcements again. But that's really stupid. That's not very smart. Your tutorials are just how to code Minecraft mods, but not how to be better at Minecraft modding. I don't know what you mean with how to be better at Minecraft modding, then. Like, I don't, like... What does that mean? Like, I would say that it's probably, hey, learn like Java. That would probably be better, but I don't know. Recording videos per is my least optimized for a Minecraft gameplay. Ooh. How do I force import something into IntelliJ? If you can't import it when you click on it and then do Alt Enter, I don't know, then for some reason the reference is just weird. Just realized Kaupen has a killer goatee. A little bit. Apparently it makes, when I wear the ears, Olivia said that my my face shape turns into a triangle. Hello, so I have a question on fabric installation. Do I have to do internal /Gradle shape? So, fishy heart, it shows that is not like the worst thing. The only thing that it basically does if you can't do the gen sources is that there's some weirdness with the with Minecraft source code, but the rest is fine. So you should be able to do everything else. Also, 1804, hello there. What is this? Like an arrow, okay. And then also Zancor, hello there. Hello. Absolutely. Right. Yeah, so we were gonna add some cat ears and also other heads to the slimes today. Because I was like, you know what? Let's do something like a little bit of fun. Sometimes you gotta have some fun over here instead of just doing crazy stuff. You play Bed Wars. I do not play Bed Wars, actually. No. So... of course it's fun, because that's, Kaupen fun. I would hope so. I would hope so. Even though the Easter eggs are planned, like, way further beyond, I was like, yeah, why not, like, sneak them in? It's a little bit of fun. Also, it's not that as complicated as, let's say, I don't know, block entities and all of that craziness. And I can use a little bit of stuff that's a little bit not as intensive at the moment. That's probably kind of nice. Pedro, hello. Okay, thank you. I found you from the Bisect hosting event. Yo, that's highly pog. Highly pog. Will you show how to add cat ears on players? No, that's not gonna be. That's probably not gonna be done. No, because that's a little harder, I believe. Oh, yeah, I think that's a little harder. I mean, it's not like it could probably be done, but eh. Posture check, absolutely. Let's get this like right up in here. Let me like sit properly. Oh wait, that's like the wrong way. Ay. Look at that. Look at this, man. Wow. I think you just have to do stuff. How often do you recommend taking a break from modding? I just realized released a big update and was about to work on another stuff, but been modding nearly non-stop for the last couple of weeks. You know, Dakota, that's actually a great question. And it's hard to say, really. I think that usually it's probably best to take like at least like a day or so a week off. Maybe it's more. I mean, it depends on like how much stuff you have and like how many things there are to do with the rest of your time, basically. But it's hard. Like it's not easy to like do it, because at one end it's like it's insanely fun, right? On the other hand, it's also like it's kind of a lot of work. Like it's not like that's sort of an easy hobby to have, right? So yeah, I mean, I get it. I think that sometimes I would say this. So this is how I operate personally, and this is, I don't know if this is applicable to other people, because I think I'm a little bit weird in that regard, one way or the other. But what I always find is that if I have to take a day off, then I usually I'm like, I could take a day off, and I just take a day off. Also, we got Fishy Heart Nespit, thank you for the follow as well. Thank you. I just take a day off when I need it. And then what happens is that usually by the next day, I'm like, you know, I'm kind of excited to start like working on stuff again. And when that is the case, then I know I think the break was enough. If at the next day I'm like, I'm not sure if I want to work on my stuff again, I might want to take another day of break, then I just take another break day. Why not? Right? So that's roughly it's not quite what happened on the weekend, because that's a little more complicated, but yeah. And I was like, why not? Let's do it. Frick it. And there you go. Also, Mammal the Best. Hello there. Hello. Welcome. So yeah. That's like roughly the idea of when to take breaks and stuff like that. It's hard though. It's not that easy, because like I said, it's a great hobby and it's like exciting and you want to make progress, but at the end of the day, it's also programming, which is like one of the most like taxing, you know, at least intellectually speaking, types of work that you can do. And it's like, you know, no one, I don't really know, but like no one really like programs for like 8 hours a day, for example. Like that is ludicrous. No one does that. That is insane. Your internet is dying. Oh no! That's always terrible. I have to take a break now. Been working on the mod for like 1 month straight. Yeah, that's also the case. If you've been working on something and you're like this is the release date, this is also a thing. Don't make any like weird like also we got Hassan Ashkar, thank you for the follow as well. Thank you. Like, don't make any weird things like, hey, this is a deadline, right? Don't make any weird deadlines, because it's like self-imposed ones. Yes, they are okay. Like, yes, you can do that. But also, like, it's really usually not necessary to do that when you really think about it. So, I usually suggest not doing that, and then you should be fine as well. Okay, let me just do this as well. That's very amazing. Da 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 da. Yeah. Literally have 0%. I really don't. Not even anything close. Okay. Heisenberg, hello there. Hello as well. Pretty awesome indeed. Oh, that's not actually what I want to do. I want to do this. Okay. Perfection. I don't know, I've started a few months ago with a big new project. I take breaks just when I wake up and my body says, nah, let's take a break. Yeah, that's fair. See, this is the thing, right? It's hard because, like, I don't know if, like, everyone operates on that way. Like, I think I operate on that way where if I'm like, I want to watch The Boys today, then I watch The Boys today. By the way, I started watching The Boys. Very good series. Very good. It's actually A tier. However, I will say this. They are a little bit violent. Like, it's a little bit... I think sometimes they're a little bit too violent. Like, not... I don't really care about it, but, like, sometimes it feels like gruesome just for the sake of being, like, gruesome. I don't know. The Boys with a Y, yes. It's a series on... Amazon Prime. That is what it's called. Hello there. Coming over here to kick my ass in chess, maybe towards the end of the stream, Haro. Have you watched Breaking Bad? Of course I've watched Breaking Bad. Are you crazy? Like, that's like probably one of the best. Why are you wearing cat ears? Because we're gonna be adding cat ears to my slimes. That's why. That's the most exciting stuff over here today. You know. I want to upload this mod, but it uses 99% of your code. Yes, you can, but you can't actually do that. Oh. I wish there was a return if not null. What do you mean? You can do that. It's just like object unequals null. I just have a question for the chat. Oh, I want to create a weapon in Minecraft Forge 1.18. I don't have any ideas. Don't have any idea how to do it. That's a great question. I could checkmate you. Will be inconvenient to play on mobile though. Okay, fair enough. Then maybe not. Then maybe we won't do it. Why is he not wearing cat ears every stream? Because then you wouldn't need to save up all your channel points. That's not how it works. Could be a good idea to add flying slimes with wings. Oh man, no. Let's not go too crazy over here. Like that's beyond. Would be a good handicap though. Well, we'll see. I might. First of all, I'll probably play Astro Monkey, because they asked, and then we'll see. Wind turbine slimes. Subworld Kaggirl. Absolutely. By the way, Kaggirl, over here. Look at this. We got the ears. Add a fruit slime. We'll see. Nuppy. Hello. Come, you have any ideas how to promote your mod? I don't know. Catboy count confirmed. No, there's no confirmation over here. It's just it's just a little bit of a, you gotta have some fun every now and then. And today we're just having a little bit of fun over there. No, it's not confirmed actually. Steampunk slime. Like, I mean, I saw the best suggestion actually, and I actually really liked it. And that was the fermenting the beer slimes with alcocraft loaded. Yo, that's such a good idea. That's so good. It's really good. Worst case, I just have to bring a chessboard on Friday. Oh, God. Listen, I'm going to record that. If you don't want to show your face, that's fine, but I'm going to record that. If we actually play at Gamescom, I'm going to record that one. Come on, that has to be recorded. I don't know if they have Wi-Fi at Gamescom. I highly doubt it, and also with, I don't know, 10,000, 20, 50,000 people there, it's probably going to be, not working, but we'll see. There's screenshot. Yeah, beer slimes are so cool. It's just such a good idea. It's actually a really good idea. So, integration with all the mods that I've shown in mod showcases when. It's pretty good Wi-Fi at Gamescom. Well, I mean, there you go. I can't even remember because, my lord, it's been 2 years. 3 years. 2019? Yeah, and I think I was only there for 1 day. I don't have a chessboard though. There may be chessboards in some sort of area there. Let's be honest. They might actually have chessboards set up somewhere. In the indie booth area or somewhere like that. So it could be the thing. But also I would just get my ass handed. I'm not gonna bring a chessboard. No. I've already packed. That's not gonna be a thing. Not gonna be a thing. We can also just take probably table in the game area. I would imagine there's some stuff there. I can't imagine that they wouldn't have chess. I mean, it's probably gonna be occupied by a few people, but nah, Did you release your mod? Of course, my mod is definitely already out on Curse Forge. However, it's still heavily a work in progress. There you go. You can actually take a look at it right here. Like I said, it's still heavily work in progress. You can definitely not, and it's also not the most up-to-date version. The last version was uploaded 3rd of August because I have a few like work in progress things going at the moment that are like a little bit. Olivia, hello there, welcome, welcome. We're just talking about you. Saying that when I have my cat ears and the goatee, then I'll look like a freaking what is it? Triangle? No, like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Alrighty. Well, I mean, you know, you sometimes gotta start with a little bit of fun over here. Why is the soap texture 18 by 18? Listen, I've seen this, and I have been. You're such an adorable person. Thank you. I have seen this, okay? And I don't know why it's 18 by 18. I haven't even, like, noticed that before. Let me actually take a look at this. You were absolutely right. Nano has fucked up. That's the best way of saying it. I don't know why this is the case. But I think we gotta fix that right now. I'm just waiting for 119 resource lamps, which might break a mod. I ported over to Forge. Yeah, well, we have a 119 like GitHub repository, but it's just not. I want to get to. Let me actually show this. Let's take a look at this crate. So I basically. What I would love to do is this, right? I would love to get, like, pretty much all of the stuff done. The last, like, bits of the slime incubation station done. And once I have that done, maybe a refactor as well, but I'm not sure about this. Then I would be okay with starting to port to 119, like, fully and have, like, both of them in sync. But there's, like, a few things that are weird, so that's, like, the thing. Okay, so this is actually it is actually 18 by 18, and I have no idea why. Yes, Trello is actually free. That is correct. Let me actually do this for a moment. I have to switch back for just a second over here. Time to do multi-version workspace. Well, I'm already looking into possibly making a multi-mod loader workspace, like, you know, common setup and then Fabric and Forge. I don't know if it also works with. I don't know if it also works with Quilt already. I don't know if that's like set up already, but that could be a cool thing indeed. You know, how did you add the JI dependency? I don't know. I mean, I will make a tutorial on that, by the way. That comes out this week still. So please do, Kaupenjoe. Yes. Please don't use Architecture. I'm not going to use Architecture, actually, no. See, this is the funny thing, right? It's 18 by 18. Oh, that's amazing. 100%. Let's go pixels. 18 by 18. Also, you're human. Hola. Are we going through all of the different languages? That could be cool. Could be a cool project over here. 16 by 16. Sure. And then all of a sudden it works. Now it's 16 by 16. Obviously, it fits in perfectly. I'm in charge, I believe. Right, Kaupen? I mean, you know, I wouldn't say like necessarily charge, but, you know, you have at least brought the example thing to my attention, which is pretty good. That actually is kind of, yeah, pretty good. Okay, now it's 16 by 16. Fixed. When I try to add JI on Forge 119, there's errors. Build fails. Well, like I said, the JI Forge stuff is going to come out on Thursday, so that's pretty good. Ooh, Kaupen. Yes, that is my name. And ooh is my cry, what is it? My mating cry? No, that's not right. The mob effect hastes are 18 by 18. Ah, Merle coming in with the big knowledge over here again. They are, and the thing is that Nano took the soap right here and just made that it. Yes, Thursday this week. That is correct. Recipe type plus JI Thursday 25th of August for Forge. So I feel like that's probably going to be okay. Yeah, all right. So mystery solved why the soap was 18 by 18. But that's pretty good. Right. Okay, I want to show you what I have because I've actually worked on... I know this is almost a crime against the stream over here. I have, however, worked on Resource Slimes a tiny bit of stream. Because, yeah. Will you be streaming from Cologne this week? I might do a short stream on Wednesday. Although I'm unsure about it because I don't know. Maybe. Quilt is quite interesting to prior as a recipe API. I like I said, I literally just don't have the time at the moment to look into Quilt, but I definitely will. Even if it's just, you know, basically taking a look at it. But yeah, totally not biased. I was about to say, you know, Olivia is working there as well. So normal Wednesday stream. I don't know if it's gonna be a normal Wednesday stream because I'm actually invited to like a party on Wednesday. I don't know if I am allowed to stream in there. That is the question. If I am allowed to stream in there might like be a big stream anyway, like just going on. If I'm allowed to stream there, then I'm probably just gonna stream for a little bit, but we'll see. What would you what would you like to see in like an inventory and technical update if Mojang were to make one? Interesting idea. I mean, I don't know, like the bundles and stuff, definitely, right? Like, or any type of inventory like expansion. It's hard because like inventory management is kind of crazy. Anyway, so let me actually show you this, right? I have a name tag over here that's called Joe underscore, right? If I name the slime Joe underscore, I don't think that Joe Fox is in the stream right now or in the chat, but if he were, we'll make a clip and we'll send it to him, okay? Joe, look at this, okay? Joe underscore, a slime. We'll name it Joe underscore. Bada bing, bada boom. We got a freaking wizard slime over here. That's exactly right. It freaking works, baby. That's so awesome. It's so good. Yeah, and we're basically going to do that with all sorts of different names. Or a witch slime, you know. How did you do that? It's magic. It's magic. Just steal the Jeb Easter egg. I mean, yes, I did, actually. Yes, that's exactly what I did. Yeah, just with people that I care about. Oh, that's pretty good. What I have is I have a model. I have an Easter egg model that extends the entity model. And right here I have a wizard hat that is literally just an entity model made from Blockbench. Like exported from Blockbench, right? And bam. Is that a Hexerai reference? Yes, that is a Hexerai reference. That is correct. And yeah, this is pretty much like what I'm going to do with all sorts of other stuff. Like, you know, if you're going to add... Yeah. So I'm going to probably do... I don't know, like... I might do... I don't even know. What do I have? I have... will you make a tutorial on it on YouTube? I don't know. Like, probably not soon. Probably, like, in the very fast future. Very far future. So that just extends model. Yes. Yes. Because I wanted to have this abstract get texture location here available for me inside of the hat layer. Right, because this has a map that maps from a name over here, right? So this is going to be a name to a model, right? And that's basically what I wanted. Joe's going to be happy. I would hope so. What about you add a burger hat for your name? I would be okay with that. I think that, you know, a lot of people are going to get like... In this like small instance of people, you have a good chance of some of your stuff being added here as a hat, and I'm telling you that's, you know, like, we're gonna see, right? So because I know a lot of your names, you have a good, you know, but then we'll see. You can add that is what you can only add. Okay, I don't know if I know that is a bit more advanced, but will you be teaching on detecting the player's position, whether or not they're in a structure? That's probably for advancements, right, Dakota? I haven't even looked into it, so I don't know. Can people look at your source code and check how to make it? Yes. Time to make a quill slime. Make it so my name makes the model not change. Wow, Pedro, that's amazing. That's awesome. That's I don't think so. Yeah, but in theory it should be like, I mean, just the scales in here, that could be a thing that I'm, you know, we might be having to take a look at because they might be different for different like hats, but we could do that. Also, Rafael Berezin, hello, I just started modding and stumbled onto your tutorials and I must say you're doing an excellent job. Keep it up. Rafael, thank you very much for the kind words. Always great to hear new people coming in and yeah, I mean, making good tutorials. That's great. Not for an advancement, for example, using an item. Ah, okay. But I think that the advancement stuff is probably going to be a thing that makes, like, you know, that we could take a look at. Advancement PR very soon. Fair. Minecraft already includes that in my honor. All right. Will you please add an Easter egg where you know, Archspec is absolutely accept the name Archspec? You forgot to say you're popular. Thank you. What? Located. Oh. Location predicate. Is that a thing? Ah, but also you gotta remember that Dakota is working in Fabric. I'm pretty sure. But I mean the location predicate is probably also gonna be a thing, but yeah. You said thank you and thank you instead of thank you. So the cat ears, I can't see. Yes, I have cat ears on. But the location predicate class is probably also gonna be there, yeah. Anyway, so oh, that's not what I want to see. This is what I want to see. I want to add cat ears in Minecraft. Okay, I know that you're gonna once again just be like ears. Ears. You're all gonna be like, those are not ears. They look terrible. Why do they look so bad? Kaupen, you can't model for shit. And I'm gonna be like, I know that I can't. But like, what am I supposed to do here? What am I supposed to do? I can't. If I can't model, then that's gonna be it. Or maybe what I'm just gonna do is like, I'm just gonna accept a few models from, like, you know, fans and stuff. If you make models for your own name, then maybe I'm gonna add them. Or maybe not. I don't know. Sad count moment. Ah, it's not that bad. You know, it's kind of true as well. But then I'm also like, yeah, no, how the frick am I supposed to like model cat ears over here, right? Like, it's not like I'm going crazy with this. It's more that it's like, well, how do you do it? No one knows, right? Because it's like that's like almost the best thing. You have an idea, I mean, go ahead. No, that's not what I want to do. I want to go here, you know, and then you maybe rotate them a little bit. I'm not that terrible at Blockbench. Yo. You know, the funny thing is I'm going to add this right now, and then someone's going to come along, and they're going to be like, freaking top tier cat ears. And I'm just going to be like, why did I even bother? Oh, why did I even bother with it? And then I'm just going to ask myself that, and no one has the answer to it, because I just don't know. I mean, look, with a lot of imagination. Man, I just don't know. Oh, Jesus, that's like not at all what I wanted to do. This is what I wanted to do. Save cat ears. Right, but like, you get the picture though, right? You get the, like, the idea that I have, right? That's the most important thing. Minus 4.5. Advancement builder. Advancement builder. Are we trying to do thumbs instead of cat ears? Listen, okay? Listen, Harrow. Don't even get me started with this. Don't even get me freaking started. Gotta eat dinner. Alright, enjoy your meal. Okay, let's just do this. Let's just get, like, texture in here. Texture. Also, we got Rigged VR. Thank you for the follow as well. Thank you. Let's see. Depressed Kaupen. I'm not depressed about it. It's just that it's, you know, I know that my painting stuff and stuff like that is just not good. Okay, let's actually do, like, I don't know, like 64 pixel density. That makes more sense. That looks a bit better. Okay, now let me look at my stuff. Shiro Kaupen cat. Absolutely. Absolutely. Because look at this. We're making cat ears inside of Blockbench, which we're then going to add inside of Minecraft. It's insane. We're insane over here. Get cancelled on the... That's great. Please look at it. All right. Let's take a look at it. Ears. You're all going to be like, those are not ears. They look terrible. Why do they look so bad? Kaupen, you can't model for shit. And I'm going to be like, I know that I can't. But it's pretty good. You're desperate. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, man? You know what I'm probably just going to do is I'm going to add a few of these things, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a list. I'm going to make a list of all of the like hats I want to add, right? And what I'm going to do is this. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to say, listen, if you make one of these things in that list, then I'm going to add your hat as well if you make one. That could be big brain play. That could be big brain play over here. I think that could be... Also, I feel like that's not, like, the worst idea ever. I think I want, like, a pink, right? Like a dark pink, maybe? Somewhere in here. This is gonna look terrible, guys. I just don't even... Yeah, absolutely. That's great. I love this. That's... Oh, look at that. I mean, can you not see that this is an ear? I gotta be honest with you, like it actually became better. It's better now, by a little bit. Tom is an amazing modeler. This is truly inspiring. Listen to you, little shit. I'm just kidding. Nether portal ears. God damn it, man. I can't unsee that now. They really do look like nether portals. This is great. Please check Discord. This is a modded entity that we need. We need modded entities for this. Wow, that is crazy, man. That is insane to me. I mean, tiny nether portals could also be cool. I mean, I agree with you, but like, you know, those were supposed to be cat ears. You know, I have no issue with like adding stuff like that, but ugh. Why is this so hard to do? No one knows. Okay, you know what? Maybe I can do like, maybe I can put them in the middle. Yeah, and then that's just gonna look way freaking worse, isn't it? Petition for to have for cat ears if you can. What? To add animations? Yeah. How about a big no on that one? End portal ears when? God damn it. Aren't the insides of the like not like pink and not magenta? I try to do like a little bit of like pink and not like magenta, but you know, I didn't want to go like too crazy pink over here. That's like way too crazy. I think this is like too bright, isn't it? Maybe it's not. Maybe the contrast is what sells it. Now it looks even more like... Oh, jeez. Isn't that texture very big? Yes. That texture would be very big. Yeah, but 16 by... I don't think 16 by 16 is enough. Like, I think that... I mean, we can just delete it. It's not a big, crazy texture. Like, I think a 16 by 16 texture is not going to have enough detail for me to, like, do it. Did it, like... Yeah. I don't know, though. Wait, is this not, like, the same size right now? Am I going crazy? I might be going crazy. I just might be going crazy. I've been saying this for a while. Alright, let's see. People would... Nether portal pole. Listen, I can also just make a nether portal one and be like, yeah, it's the same. Yeah, that's kind of weird. That's very strange to me. I don't know why that would be the case. Actually, wait, why is this now so weird? Wait. Oh my god, it didn't change it. Look at this. It didn't change the... When you delete the texture, then it doesn't change it. But it actually is the... Like, I feel like this is a little bit not enough texturing for me, right? It seems like that's just not enough texture. So I think we're probably going to go with, like, at least a 32 by 32, probably 64 by 64. So you can see if you actually have to go out of the paint thing again. That's so weird. That's kind of strange. Maybe a little big. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm making the texture a little bit bigger. I honestly, I have to do like other stuff. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna make a new one. Not like a completely different one. Modded entity. Okay. Yeah, 16 by 16. This is gonna be the Kaupenjoe face. Okay. I'm gonna do this. And what I want to do is I want to make a... I don't know how big it should be. I guess 16 by 16. Okay, let's do this. Let's do 16 by 16. I mean, I can always resize it, right? So that should not matter actually for that. Yeah, that's probably gonna be okay. And then what we'll do: extract liquidizer. What would that do? The extract liquidizer. 10, and then 2. It's not quite in the middle, is it? No, this would probably be fine. I do like half the size, because that would be kind of nice. If I could. Would be pretty good. Would be pretty cool. That's going to be right here. Actually, I shouldn't call this count face. I should just call this whatever face, because someone can't get their rolls. If someone can't get their rolls, then that probably is not my issue. Then the issue is probably with the Kaupenbot. So I mean, I don't know. Like, I don't want me to do like midstream craziness. I can remove rolls, so it must like they just must not understand what to do. I don't have permissions. That makes no sense. They have the viewer role. They should be able to see get rolls because people have been doing this all day today. So I don't know that it. I don't know. Level 1 noob. Yes, absolutely. Cat ears. Exactly. Right. All right, but I will give them the forge roll though. I've given them the forge roll. There you go. Now it's their client being broken. They can't see any reactions. Oh, is it on mobile? Is it on mobile? Because that is bad. That would not be good. That would be one of those things where it's like, not good. Not good at all. Dun, dun, da, da, dun, dun, da, 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 dun, dun, da, da. La da dee da dee da dee. La dee da dee da dee da. How? What is this hat? This is gonna be like a... I'm gonna tell you this. Energy tutorial for fabric, please. You think I'm not gonna make an energy tutorial for fabric? Soon? Once I literally made a block entity tutorial, I believe, in which I literally said energy and fluid is gonna come in the next weeks. So, probably tells me that you haven't watched the tutorial. Oh, snap! I'm just kidding. I actually want to do a different... Oh, I can just like do this, right? So, where do I even have this? Kaupenjoe? Images? No, definitely not there. I need my skin. I believe someone made a skin. Kaupenjoe skin. Kaupenjoe skin. I can also just download it from stuff, right? Skins. Let me see skins. Like I can just do the skin dex. Does that work, or is there like a... No. I want to like... Yeah, this is what I need. Name skin. Kaupenjoe. Bro, just like give me my skin. Also great, right? That you can just... I don't have my freaking stuff here. Ooh, a little bit of a hydrate over here. Absolutely, yeah, bro. We've seen the new Alex, the new Steve and Alex skins. Wait, they're new skins? I've not seen those, no. That's crazy to me. Claim this profile. I mean, yeah, but like, I want to download the skin. Can I download the skin? I can. Somehow download. There it is. Dun 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 dun. Kaupenjoe skin. I'm just gonna need this little brick over here. 8x8? I thought it was 16 by 16, to be honest with you. But I guess not. I guess it's 8x8. What happens when I do this? You know, it's the resizing that's like weird. Wait, now that's fine. Oh, that's great. That's all awesome. Absolutely. Click export over here. Let's do that. Let's go. It'll be KJ face. KJ face. Then one of them is gonna wear my face. That's what's gonna happen. I like the new one. Yes. The new one is great. I would give proper credit right now, but I genuinely cannot remember who made it. I am very sorry. However, also, I am like literally... My mind is racing. I have like 1,020 different things going on at the same time. Therefore, I feel like that's okay and excused. I hope so, at least. No. I want to, like... This is the face texture. The face... KJ face texture. Sure. And then what I can do is I can just open this. And I just take this. And I can just paste it in here. And then bam. And now... Behold my creation. Behold my creation! Oh, the slime's just gonna wear the face. Has nothing to do with cringe, my guy. Has nothing to do with cringe. It's just funny. Just funny. Cringe as fuck, not gonna lie. You know what I say to that? I don't give a fuck. What do you say? Face model. Yeah, say this as well. Dun, dun, dun. I need a modding break. I might also need that. Holy duck cat ears! Exactly. You don't come in the future, will. Listen, you can discuss it all the fuck you want. I'm gonna add this, and I'm gonna look at how it looks in Minecraft, and if I find it fun, then I'm gonna keep it. Simple as that. What I should probably actually do is probably make this like somewhat a variable, and get the skin from online, something like that. How much are your cat? How much are your cat ears, Kaupen? What do you mean, like to wear them? Like 42,000 points. Hello, what is happening? I'm adding stuff. Not talking about the Easter egg, by the way. Arch! Then fucking talk to me properly. Like, what is this? You're like, cringe. Talk to me. How much money did they cost? Like 12 bucks, I think? It wasn't that bad. That would be better. No, how much did you buy them for? Once again, 12 bucks. I don't know. Something like that. Okay, so now I can add the face over here. Face model. Let's just do this. No. It was on Amazon, of course. What are you expecting over here? Makes the most sense. Everything, like they have everything on Amazon. Can you make it not fail when loading skins from online? I don't know what you're talking about. So I'm gonna stop responding to you at this point in time, because this becomes upsetting to me. My guy, you're very weird today. And everyone agrees. So it's probably not me. Otherwise I would have said it's me, but no, it's me, Kaupenjoe. Are just making no sense at all. Yeah, I mean, you know, it is what it is. Ooh, what do we have here? We got the... yes. Cannot be referenced. Ugh, I hate the fact that this is called custom model over here. It's called face model, please. I don't even know if I want to do that, but, you know. Unsure. Setup. Yeah, I mean, this should be totally fine. This should all just work. And now instead of an entity model, I want this to be an Easter egg entity model of type T. And then I just need to get this guy. Insert I'm using Arch, by the way, meme. Yeah, Chiara, you're 1000% correct. That is indeed what happens here. Oh. Wait, what the frick? Wait, why would this be the case? Oh, because I probably... Wait, what? Why is 0, though? Okay, whatever. That's fine. Bro, am I losing my mind, or is chat just going insane? look, please, can you stop this? Or do we need to demote you? Because I don't know, like, what the frick is going on. Seems kind of weird to me. You're not losing your mind. I feel like I am losing my mind a little bit over here. You know, I'm just saying. So this would be in the event, actually. So every time I do need to do an event, I can go back and chat is going crazy. I mean, obviously. Obviously. Face model. Location. And then we just do the same thing over here. Face model. Create body layer. Perfect. Alright, this is not called custom model. We're going to call this the face model. What did I have this under this? With the wizard hat. Perfect. That's absolutely amazing. I think layers is fine. This should add it. Now I can just add it right here, right? So if I were to do Kaupen as a thing. So, you know, yeah, I would say, let's just not. I would agree with this assessment. I would actually agree with this assessment. Now, I really hate this, that I can't do that. Can I do this? Oh, I couldn't. I can't do this. Damn, look at that. Would you look at that? I love it. Dun, dun, dun. So, create hats is, this. So, oh, this is the wither. This has to be the face model. There you go. I love that. And then this has to be the face model. This purges all of your all of the things that are that you've written. That it's called purge, and then it just deletes all of the messages. Face model, because we're currently making a Minecraft mod and not talking about anything else. I mean, we can talk about the cat ears, though. That we can talk about. The rest, right now, I don't really feel like talking about it. Yeah, listen. We're done with this right now. So, there you go. Okay. I think what should happen is that when we... Yeah, so the only issue I can see is this. I think the issue could be the scale, because I've taken the scale and the translation for specifically the wizard hat. So I might have to do stuff over here. I might have to like change this. Right, the scale for each of the different hats. But that's okay. At this point, I might actually do instead of making a map for string and stuff like that, I might actually do a custom class, but we'll see. Okay, well, I gotta eat. Well, have a great meal, Luke. Chiara is a cat girl in Final Fantasy 14. Highly pog. The cat girls there are very... it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I've not played it myself, but I've seen stuff, though. Kaupenjoe, how are you today? I feel like this was answered in VIP chat, wasn't it? I feel like that's like... I feel like that was answered today. I feel like... Let's see. If this is actually the thing that we need to do, this is gonna frick it up. I know it. I know this is gonna frick it up. There's only one stream chat. You know exactly what I'm talking about, Arch. I'm talking about Discord. Over here. Or does Discord all of a sudden not exist while we're streaming? Well, it doesn't exist for me. Almost. Alrighty. Let's see. We need a new tag. Discord shutdown 2016. Alright. Have it your way. Count. That's a crash! Oh. Null pointer exception. Oh, I didn't add a... Yeah, of course. I literally didn't add this guy, the texture. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Add this. And then we'll do... We're gonna get this resource location. We're just gonna change it to this. No, to this. You don't understand. Okay. Or I guess not. It's 2017. Let's play Fortnite. Bro, if it was 2017, yo, highly pog, man. That would be highly pog. I mean, in a lot of ways. Like, let's be honest over here. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. La la la. Posture check. Man. Absolutely. Dun 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 la 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 la. Okay. Let's see. All right, let's see. Let's go. Let's see if it's wearing my face now. It's almost like the hit movie. I have no idea when it came out. 1998. Face Off. Never in a million years came out there. Face Out? No, Face Off. 1997. Yo, I was so close. I was only 1 year off. Fuck me. I did say that the scale would frick us up, but that's okay. We can change the scale. We can change the scale. Might be a bit lower down there. Yeah, absolutely. That's what I'm saying. Like the scale is the thing that like fricked us up, but that's pretty good. All right. Oh no, wait a second. That's fine. That's okay. Let me do these. I waited so much time for the block entity tutorial. Well, now it's here. Block entity coming through the wall. I'm here. It's pretty good. So there you go. Shouldn't the scale? Yeah, it does actually scale with it. It does, but I still need to change the scale a little bit on the slime because the slime is not 16 by 16 by 16. Anyway, this actually probably requires me to make a proper model over here. This is probably going to be an Easter egg model. I don't really like that one. Can you add song requests? That might actually be a good idea. I have not thought about it, but could be an interesting idea actually. I will think about that. This is going to be the string name. And then we'll also have a entity model of type T, and that immediately fricks everything up because that means that we need to do all sorts of insanity over here. But that's okay. I think this, right? Yes. And that's going to be the model. And then I also want to add a... Can I do this with... yeah, I'm just going to do a 3. We're going to do it probably. So we're going to do a vector 3f, I believe. And that's going to be the scale. Translation. And I believe that there's also... rotation we probably never going to need. But let's be honest. Let's add a rotation here as well. Just in case. You never know. You never know. Public static... No, absolutely not a static. Easter egg model over here with everything. Can I just not... I can also just let this generate. This is going to be generating a constructor with everything. Look at this beauty. Okay. This should now work in here. Instead of a map, we're now going to have a list of Easter egg model. Type T. Absolutely. I'm going to add this in here. Beautiful. I did not know you can do that. Thanks for... What do you mean you didn't know that you can do that? What exactly? That you couldn't do what? Song requests when it's time. It will do it. And Nyan Cat theme. That's a great... Generate constructors. Well, oh my god. Well... So much for the one month working on your mod, and then, you know, having these types of tips, they can be very helpful. Make a hero brand slime. Yes, it's a great idea. We might actually do that as well. First of all, we're going to do a list of Easter egg model of type T. Thank you. We could also just call it like Easter egg data, because like it's more like data, but you know, I don't know. Let's call it Easter egg data for the time being. We're going to be fine though. And this is going to make a new list. I'm going to initialize the list, so there's going to be a list of Easter egg data type T, and that's called the list, and that is equal to a new array list of nothing. And then we're just going to do the same thing over here. Actually, just because it's a little bit nicer, right? It doesn't have, we don't have to do it. We're not probably going to do this, actually. Because we don't need to do this. We actually want to do something else. Trying to get data gen to work. It might be worth it, yeah. Yeah, I think it in some ways it's probably worth it, and in others it sometimes isn't, but you know, it is what it is. Add a new Easter egg data, and that's going to be the name Joe _. I mean, we can also just say Joe. We can probably do Joe Fox at this point, by the way. And then a new wizard hat model stuff. This guy over here. Bam. Beautiful. A new. No, it's only one new. It's not New York over here. And then we have... If it generates at some point... Doesn't, of course. Oh wait, I'm out. One too many. That's why it doesn't generate. It doesn't tell me what to add over here. This is going to be 3 vectors: translation, scale, and something else. So this is going to be new vector 3 f of 0, 0, 0. Beauty. And then the next one is a new vector of 3 of. I love how it doesn't understand what to add here. What do you mean? Am I crazy? Am I going insane? Why? Expected 1 argument but found 3. What? Expected 1 argument but found 3. I feel like I'm you know, okay. 0, 0, 0. And then just another one that's also 0, 0, 0. New York. Jeez. Jeez Louise. We need another closing parentheses over here. And then everything gets clearer. Because we have 1 too many? What? No, that's fine. Expected 1 argument but found 4. It's a weird error, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we're gonna close this guy. The model set. So it was on the wrong one. I did say this. I did it right the first time. Well, so much for that. There you go. It says, geez Louise. Data gen saved me when I was trying to do biomes. Yes, I feel like a lot of people don't realize how useful it is. It can be insanely useful. Agreed. And this is actually 0.75. Yes, Arch loves adding nonsensical like stuff. Quotes. Joe Fox. And this is gonna be... Let's do Kaupenjoe, just for the sake of argument. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make this a little bit smaller. I feel like 6.5 should probably suffice. And then just translate it down a little bit. So that's probably going to be a 0.25, something like that. F. Of course. And then we're just going to return the lists over here. And that should be that. So now we just need to, you know, make sure that that's fine. And there you go. Did you finish your Fluid implementation on Fabric? It's coming out soon. Yes, Fluid. So it's planned that Fluid handling comes out on the 5th of September for that. Anyone is available? All right. Well, if anyone is available, there you go. For each var in, and this is now just going to be hats. And then here, we're just going to say, Olivia, welcome back. Welcome back over here. Entry equals this. What is the entry? Yeah, but like I want to get the this is the name. Wait. Of course. I mean, this makes sense because this is all private. Private. So what we want is we want to... No, that's not what we want, actually. Well, you're making slimes for wearing cat ears, so you're working on slimes while you're wearing cat ears. Yes. This is correct. This is indeed what I'm doing. I'm wearing cat ears because I'm adding slimes that wear cat ears. While I'm wearing cat ears. Because the people love the cat ears. You know, what am I supposed to say? I can't disappoint the people. Get model, get texture location, beauty. And then you're just going to do the translation. And this is just going to be get, no, this is going to be entry dot get translation. Of course, we need to do it like this, but that's okay. That's fine though. There you go, and there you go, and there you go. And this is going to be a Z. Absolutely. Man, let me get like a little bit up over here. Make the Easter egg stuff either through a resource pack or data pack. I don't know. Is that possible? Can I just add like different models through resource packs? Would this be even a thing that is doable? I have not done that stuff at all. Like in the slightest. And also, I'm not that worried about it. Quill feature. Oh, great. I'm also like not sure about the rotation. Well, that's a little bit more complicated. Well, let's not do rotation right now. Optifine. Yeah, but like, come on. I'm not gonna be dependent on Optifine just for Easter eggs. Ugh. Nah, that ain't happening. I think that should be fine. So we should now be able to do this. Now, this is, of course, a wizard hat, so that's good that I can't call that one. That is now a face model, actually. Same with this guy, face model. And that should be fine. Yeah. All right, let's try this. Let's try this, actually. Dun, 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 dun. Albert, hello there. Welcome. You're just... You joined correctly, because we're just about to watch history unfold. As I'm adding a new Easter egg hat over here into Minecraft. Prediction if it works. It's gonna work. It worked before, my guy. So I don't think that there's like much of a prediction over here. So I don't know. I mean, I've seen this crown sheep. I don't know what to do with this information. It seems like you're having an error where expected arguments is 0 and you found -1. But because I am right now streaming, therefore I'm not helping. And also I have no context to the error. I can't help. So, yeah. Can you show Easter egg data, by the way? Yes, I will show this in just a moment. Let me show you in just a second. Let me actually just quickly get the tags over here. There you go, 2 of them. I just want to see if it works, and then we're going to show this again. So this is going to be this guy. This is going to be Kaupenjoe. I think they were joking. I don't know if they were joking, but that's fine. Like I said. If it could be the case, but that's okay. Okay, so no Kaupenjoe and no Joe Fox. That's incredibly upsetting. That's just incredibly upsetting. Okay, let's see why that would be the case. How can achieve a negative number of arguments? I don't know. Like I said. I mean, wait, there's an arrow here. Oh. No, that was not there. Moment, must be a joke. Probably 117, hello. Entry dot equals. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I need the name over here. But let's go do this. What about the Herobrine thing? Absolutely. Like I said, I'm gonna look into it. You know, probably not like the immediate next thing I'm gonna add, but we'll see. You said it would work. I did say it would work, and it didn't work. Sorry. You would have just doubted me. It works. Look at it. There you go. Now this one's still too high up, but we'll see. All right. That was funny. Yeah, that was funny because before we said, hey, that this was a joke, and it's probably a joke, so that's why it's funny. Okay, we actually want probably scale like 0.5 over here, and we want this one 0.5 as well. Let's see. Right, and then we're gonna take a look at the Easter egg data again as well. Wait, what? Am I crazy? Did it not work? Go back here. Why is hats instance but named as a constant? I'm sorry, my guy. I will do this properly in just a moment. I'm sorry. I know. Because before I had it as a... What do you mean? Wait a second. Hats... Why is instance but named like a constant? Is it... Wouldn't you call it hats all in like screaming case once it's final? Or does it always have to be a static final thing? That's fine. Let's do hats then. There you go. That's okay. Okay, a little lower. That's kind of weird. Kind of weird to me. Is it taking the Yeah, it's definitely taking the translation over here. I think static uppercase. Okay, fair. I mean, there you go. I hate screaming case. Static final is constant, so yeah. Alright, fair enough. Ah, I didn't change it because stupid. Didn't change it before. Yeah, so something's broken again. Probably because it's making like a new class and it can't like change that or something like that. Alright, let's take a look at the Easter egg data. For Olivia, here you go. So it's literally just a class with a string, the entity model, and 3 vectors over here. We're just assigning all of them through a constructor, and then I have made, or I've let generate the IDE a getter and a setter for each of the different private fields. That's all that there's to it. Was there anything else that was like interesting for you to take a look at? Why not make it a record? That's a valid question. Can you do generic records? I've not done records that much, so I don't know if that like just works or if that's like maybe not working or whatever. So that would be the only thing I'm like not 100% sure about. With it, me no like records. I don't know. I just haven't like done a lot with them. Oh, I gotta like get this out of here because hurting my ears. Oh, Jesus Christ. Ooh, that is craziness. Oh, baby. Man, with the issue is like with everything on my ears, with the with both or with thrice. Oh, jeez. The glasses as well as this, as well as the cat ears, it's too much.
Welcome to the King's Court.
Level 1 noob, thank you for the Prime subscription as well. 3 months now. That is craziness over here. What a dedication. Thank you so much. Thank you. Prime lol. Thank you. Alright. What if you just tried? Alright, man. I'm just gonna try. What do we have? Oh man, that's a thank you and your tutorials. I started creating my mod. You are an inspiration and a mentor. Wow, thank you so much. When I get to publish my project, I hope to be able to send it to you to test it. Absolutely, you're great. I follow here and your official channels, Discord, Patreon, heartfelt thank you. Thank you so much for the kind words. Death God. Of course, I recognize your name. That would be crazy if not. But thank you, man. That's yeah, greatly appreciated and always great to hear. And absolutely, I mean, you know, I always like to see, you know, stuff from the community. We just had the release of the Deep and Deeper and Darker mod, which was absolutely amazing. I just looked at that for a moment. I haven't like went into the game yet, but yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty awesome indeed. Also, No Life or Life. Hello, Kaupenjoe, tutorials are great. Thank you so much as well. And hello as well, by the way, for joining us. Deeper and Darker, there you go. Yeah, absolutely insane, like absolutely crazy. Hog made it to another stream. Joe, your arrival is exactly correct because you're gonna see your creation in my mod. I will show this. I love how Kaupenjoe replies to every comment I ever wrote in this comment section. Yes, of course. Records do not have to have setters. All right. Let's just get yes, no setters. Ah, yes, because they're already setting that stuff in the in this stuff. Non-canonical constructor. Make name static. You know, I'm probably gonna take a look at this at a later date because honestly, it works right now, and I right now my brain does not function with records, but that's okay. Okay, so so let's see Joe Fox over here. We're gonna see that, and then we're also gonna see if the Kaupenjoe stuff works with 0.5. I think 0.5 should probably be fine, also with the size over here, but then we'll see. Yeah, what I did do, Joe, is I did color the wizard hat. Like, I painted it on my own, but it's fine. You know, we can always talk later, and then you can maybe send me the texture for it. But it does work now. Your custom wizard hat works, so we're gonna see. Cat ears? Yes, I want to add cat ears to the slimes as well. But if I show you, listen, Joe, you're gonna laugh as well again. If I show you my freaking block thing for... I didn't lie. I have it open in the background, Shadowbirth, okay? There's no lying around here. If I show you my cat ears, you're gonna laugh your ass off. It's gonna be LMFAO. Okay, so that's Kaupenjoe right here. Okay, that's clipping through. That's a little bit of a bummer over here. Probably want to add that a little bit bigger, but that's okay. But there it is. There's this guy. And yes, by the way, it does scale up with how many resources it has. So that just works automatically. So if I give it like this, for example, you can see now it's huge. Oh man, that's so stupid, but I love it. It's so good. There you go. Yeah, it's Z fighting over here. That's the issue. I'm probably just gonna move it forward a little bit. That's awesome. It is kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. It is kind of awesome. There you go. Now small again, and there you go. I love it. I said that, you know, it's like, you know, just basically if you call it Joe Fox. I'm gonna do it for a few names. But we'll see. Okay, so we wanna like move it forward a little bit. What is forward? X or Z? Probably this. Let's try and do it like 0.1 or something like that. Yeah, it's so fun doing Easter eggs. It actually is. And I thought, you know, it's a little less taxing. It's not that crazy. It's probably going to be kind of fun to do it, you know, so there you go. Why is this your go-to art when you don't have anything else to say, by the way? I'm very interested in this. What is your opinion on you asking for your opinion on cheese? I'm turning it around over here. Exactly. Bam. Okay. Let's see if 0.1... I don't even... Wait a second. I don't think we need the 0.1 if we do 6.5. And then we also actually want to maybe do 7.5 over here? Let's see. Uno reverse. Exactly. Uno reverse. It's just a ace of hearts. I don't have a Uno. That would be crazy though. If I add an Uno reverse card, I'm gonna get this. Hydrate turret, of course. Also, cheese is not cheese, you know? Gotta think about that. There's so many different types of cheeses around. Yeah. Cheese is the best food. Damn. It goes with everything. I will say this. I tried cheese before. Couldn't that be a map? I did that before. Yeah, oh, I did that. Yes. I had a map before, but like, why not add the name in the actual data itself? Doesn't that make like quick reminder to sub with Prime if you can get those cool emotes such as Kaupen Devilish, Kaupen Meh, Kaupen Love, Kaupen Hey, Kaupen O, Kaupen Park, as well as Kaupen Cat. Will die saying that bread is the best food. Bread is very versatile. Bread is definitely more versatile than cheese. I will say that. But also, I did try cheese with a lot of stuff. So I eat, I mean, I still eat it. I eat cheese with marmalade. Yo, that shit is great. That's amazing. Highly, highly pog. Now, I also have tried other stuff before. What I've also eaten just as a taste test. I have eaten cheese with... Okay, we're gonna look at that in a moment. I've eaten cheese with Nutella before, and that was also okay, but the funny thing is, the Nutella is such a strong taste that the cheese literally tasteless. You cannot taste the cheese when you have Nutella on it. It's crazy, but it doesn't taste bad. Now, what does taste bad is this. Cheese and honey. Bro. That is the most vile thing I've ever eaten, and I don't know why. It just does not work together. They somehow create a taste that does not taste good. It's crazy. Okay, so we're almost there. We need just to move a little bit higher up and then we're there. Yeah, it was not good. Have you ever eaten brown cheese? I don't know what brown cheese is, but you know, how do you not like cheese and honey? No. Cheese and honey together. Okay, not like individually, together. And together they're not good. Oh, certain cheese and honey is fine like brie. No, it's not. Did you see the recipes generated off of the planks? I did not see that. No, I only saw you post something, but I have not looked into it, actually. I have not looked into it. They're the best thing ever together. Bro. Oh my god. I literally cannot even tell you, but I'm telling you, it was the one thing that I tried and I despised it. What, did this change or not? Oh wait, I didn't even change it. That's great. That's amazing. I didn't even change it. Cheese and honey. Yeah, of course. Of course. I don't know. It just feels like it doesn't move. Or am I like going crazy? I might be. But, you know, 2F. Sure, let's go like something crazy. I don't think it's going to work again with the reloading. No, it did work. Okay, but it doesn't change it for whatever reason. That's kind of weird. Well, we gotta reload. Well, there you go. Not tasted it. I hate it. Caramel-like cheese. Okay, it's caramel-like cheese. Interesting. As in, like, sweet? Or as in, like, the consistency of it? Because that's a that's definitely a difference. I mean, what do you think of people who eat pizza without cheese? That's like literally... Why would you even do that? Why would you even do that? That's a real question. Like, you know. Yeah, I'm speechless. Pizza with mozzarella cheese. I mean, I'm okay with allergy. I didn't think of that. That is a good point. That is a good point. Bummer. Damn. Count me exposed? For what? Joe. Java object everywhere. Amazing. Lactose intolerant. Yeah, that's fair. I still eat pizza with cheese. I feel like it's, you know, I don't know. At this point, go buy some dough and make some bread. Basically the same thing. It's a good point, Dakota. It's a good point. Yes. Oh man, rebooting is just such a good song. But then Joe Fox is also Java objects everywhere Fox. I kind of feel like that's okay. It's so stupid. This is great. This is amazing. Look at it. I want to see like how it looks like when it's grown, or when it's like more grown, I guess. Let's do this. Iron, so that's gonna be 16, 32, and a big whopping 64 over here. Let's try this. Yeah, absolutely. Perfect. That's great. That's exactly what you want to see. Oh, look at this. Beauty. Look at it. And then we got this guy. I mean, look, okay? Obviously, this is... I love how... Look... Okay, well, wait. By the way, I want you to realize as well that this model is also shown at the top left corner. Look at this. Look at the top left corner in... like, it actually rotates with the mask. Oh, that's great. I don't know what I've created here today, but it's something. It's something, man. How does it know where it's jumping? It can see through the mask. It can see through the mask. Well, that's interesting. That's very interesting. I'm not gonna lie. It should only see black. No, it can see through that. You know, Warden. Ooh. It uses the mask's eyes. Exactly. It's directly, like, put into the into the visual cortex. Bzzzt, and then there you go. Come, how did you get the items to alternate so beautifully? Because the way I'm generating them is they're generating like in pairs. That's how I'm getting to do that. And because I still don't have textures for it from Nano. But no stress. We talked about it. I talked about it with Nano. It's fine. It's pretty good. Ah, there he is. Exactly. I have a delay. I love that. So good. What is going on there? Imagine having delay. Yes, that would be the thing that you would say, actually. This is, by the way, the cat ears. My beautiful creation over here at the moment. Before we had the upper part of the cat ears like on the right side and on the left side, but, you know, I changed it to the middle. So, you know, it's beautiful, isn't it? Just imagine it. Ah, what a beautiful cat ears. And then we're just going to take a little bit of this guy over here and then look at this, right? Bam. You got cat ears. Let's make this a little bit smaller. There you go. And then something like this. And then just like the other one as well. Right here in the middle. Just going up. Just going up a little bit. There you go. Ah, beautiful. Let's do this as well. Oh, look at that. As you can see, community contest to create cat ears. I'm actually, what I'm gonna do probably is, so what I want to do is this. I might actually want to do in the next devlog. What I want to say is, okay, I have these, like maybe like 5 or 7 or 9. We're gonna see like things I want to add as Easter egg hats. And maybe what I want to do is I want to say, okay, if you make them, if like want to make like a community thing, community like challenge, basically, exactly, contest, community contest. And what's gonna happen is that if you make a good one of those, then you can make one of your own as well and have it added to the game. I feel like that's fair. I feel like that's a fair way to do it, basically, right? I kind of feel like that's I think that's pretty good. Make a royal slime with a crown. Yes. How about we do one when we name it Technoblade and then it gets the crown? How about that one? That could be a thing. But once again, have you seen my? Can you see this? Are we looking at this? What is this shit? Bro. I mean, like, I just don't even know, man. I don't know. POV. Yeah. That's the point of view when you just don't know what the frick is going on. Some shading and it looks good. I don't think that shading is gonna fix that. I really don't think that any type of shading can fix this. This is beyond repairable. I don't think this is repairable, man. But let's try it. Like, what is this? Right? Now I'm just like tracing this there. It's just not. Make it pink. Listen, do you want it like this, like giant pink, this sky, this pink? But wouldn't it be the other way around? Also, like, what ears look like this? Like, this is not how cat ears look like. Look at this, okay? They look like this. They're like, yes, of course they're like this, but like from the front, you barely see any of that part. This almost looks like the Kyanite mods logo, just in pink instead of a freaking blue crystal. God damn it, man. They're fine. Sure. Ace6_, thank you for the follow as well. Thank you. Where am I? Why am I not in? Oh, I'm in color picker mode. Fair. No. I want this guy. There you go. Wow, Kaupen. Wow. Was that too much, Kyanite? Oh, my cat as front-facing ears. Fair. You could just fold them over. Could fold them over a little bit. You're not wrong. Okay, who here has seen the first Gecko Lip block bench tutorial? You have seen my model there, okay? It's not gonna get any better, okay? It's not getting better in that series, okay? Quite the opposite, actually. The tech, I think I did, yeah. And you probably feel sorry for looking at it. It was, I think, is an okay way to describe it. It's like, listen, it's at least, I can say this, it's at least something that has never been done before. See you in a bit. All right. Come, have you heard Two Swords by Grimm? I have not heard Two Swords by Grimm, no. I think you should try and edit the texture on paint.net and something unique. Yeah, exactly. It's unique. One of a kind. Has never been done before. And will never be done ever since. You need to be the new artist of Mojang. Ooh, yeah. I'm just gonna... Look, now, you know what? Now it almost looks like cat eyes for like an ender cat. Don't steal that idea. Because that now looks freaking good, actually. Because this could be cat eyes for like an ender cat. Like when they have like these eyes. That would actually work. But ears? No. Ears do not exist. Skull cat noted. Do it. Add it. Sure, why not? No, that's my mod. Going to steal that idea. That's okay, Zephyr. That's okay. Do it. Kaupen ignoring me. Nah. Does look like ender cat ears. Ender snail. I love ender snail. I love snails. Like, but not as an animal necessarily. But when you have like cute like snail statues or something like that, or like a tiny like I don't know like a porcelain snail. I don't know why. They're good. They're great. Looks great. You have that crap. Oh, that's always great. Just rotate by 45 degrees. I don't even know what that means. I can rotate them. Oh, jeez. I should rotate them around like a little bit like this, probably 35 degrees. This guy, and then we just wanted to do 35 degrees. No, like minus 35. Absolutely. Yeah, sure. Let's. I mean, come on. Why not? Whatever. Listen, okay. This is the deal, okay. We're not gonna tell the YouTube people this. This is gonna be a stream secret. The reason why this is so bad is so that the YouTube people are just they feel a rush of inspiration, a true explosion of dedication to this, to make models for the mod. Oh man, that's great. Make a pixel art where you teach shaping, shading, and anti-aliasing. There is something about textures planned actually in the future. That's not. I want to do something about that, but yeah. I mean, you know, it's going great so far, right? Like, look at this. What a great texture. That's why I have that's why I have a designer and someone who makes the textures for me. They will say, even the guru can't do cat ears. How can I ever be able to do it? Well, I mean, okay, listen. There's a difference between like stuff and not stuff. How to make textures 1 month later and get away with it. New tutorial by me. Yeah. Please say Nanotech is hosting it and not you. I want to get Nanotech in as well as my designer. That's the general idea. So we'll see. We got Aptis Ahmad O2. Thank you for the follow as well. Thank you. Let's go with this guy. Dun, 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 dun. This is cat ears. Alright, and then we'll just add this as well immediately. Okay. Look at this. Okay. Who's your designer? Merle, yes. I love Kaupenjoe. Thank you. So great. What can I put off longer? My thesis or Kaupen's textures? 100% my thesis. Difference is I have work on Kaupen's textures. Fair. That is fair. Details are better than nothing. It's true. So this is the great example from Dakota over here. So here, it's just blank. And then here, just a little bit of detail. Crazy stuff. Pretty good example, actually. What is it? What is this? What is what? The thing I've just shown? It's probably like an ore. I mean, you don't need to like play that dumb. Like, it's obviously some sort of ore block. So, you know. Hey, Kaupen, how you doing, my man? Draconicus Rex! Hello there. Hello there. I'm doing freaking fantastic over here. We're doing insane stuff, but it's working. And that's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. You know, if everything's working, I got nothing to worry about over here. If you get a sprite, you can automatically shade. What? So what you're telling me is that everything has been a lie? Nano has not been shading everything. It's himself. It's all been done by a computer program. He's used Midjourney to generate all of the different textures. Wow. Wow. Craziness. Nano exposed. Gone wild. 2022 colorized. I just tell my PC to make textures and it does. Easy. Yeah. Just had Math Olympics and it was a nice piece of pain. Math Olympics. Yo. That's crazy. That's insane. What do you do at Math Olympics? You probably like... I mean, I can imagine. But you probably like... divide a few times. Do you multiply as well? Or is there like... I mean, you probably divide and multiply. You probably are not going to subtract only, though, right? Like, there's probably a few other things that are going to happen. But maybe you're going to add as well. I don't know why I said it that way, but it sounded fun. Just move my mouse and click buttons and somehow textures appear on the screen. This is exactly how I feel like with code. I just do this. And then this, right? When I go to sleep, next day I wake up, all of a sudden I have a mod. I don't know how it happens. I don't know how it works. It just works. It just works, baby. Okay, let's see. What do we have? That's me too, come. Why, who, where, what? I don't know. Count cat. It just works. It just works. This is not the face model. This is the cat ears. I think you should make a hat which is a sword that impales a slime. Also great idea. Listen, I mean, you know, this is like a bunch of like interesting ideas. We're gonna see. It was with algebra, Venn diagrams, and other stuff. Ooh, algebra is okay. Venn diagrams, I don't even know like the application in math for that, but fair. And then we'll see. As much as I would like to pay someone for textures, I don't have the money to consistently play. Yeah, I understand that. It's and also apparently it seems like there are not that many textures around at the moment. Like it seems, I mean, it depends on for what basically. I'm bored. Always love to hear that from Twitch chat, but you know, who knows? Oh, you can learn decent texturing in 6 months. So I write something. You're bored, so you write something. That's good. That's good. Do something with the boredness. Do it, and then take that boredness and be like, freak you, boredness. I ain't gonna be bored. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna create something. And then you create a Minecraft mod. But yes, Nano, actually that is correct. You can learn decent texturing in 6 months. I think that's right. Only math I used from uni are matrix calculations. I have done this as well. Kaupen, do predictions if cat ears are working first try. They're gonna work. Sure, let's do it. Why not? I'm gonna do that. Let me see. Tempest sounds interesting, but where would I start? Well, Well, that's maybe where I'm gonna come in at some point. Will the cat ears work? Yes. No. All right. Very important. The prediction gambling is in your own risk. What does it mean to work? Well, it means that if I spawn the slime and I add the correct name to it, then some sort of extra thing is going to appear that are going to look like the ears with the texture, basically. Yeah, that's the general idea. I believe in you. Thank you. Also, once again, it's on your own. It's all your own fault if you spend too many points, and then it is what it is. If you war chest, then that's on you, right? You gotta deal with that on your own. I'm not liable for any losses of points. Do you need trigonometric functions when coding mods at all? They can be useful, actually. Yes, they're useful in no, accidentally hit no. Rip 400 points. Oh no. Oh no, Dakota. Well, it happens. This was Count Cat was the name. I wanted to say, is this basically gambling? I mean, yeah, but the points are not worth anything. So let's see. They are actually there. Look at them. Okay, they're just very much inside of the slime, but they are there. Okay, you can clearly see them. Yeah, I mean, they look more like devil horns at the moment, like tiny little devil horns. But you know, they definitely exist. So sadly, I will have to give it to the believers over here. Let me see. Where's this? Manage prediction. Choose outcome, and that is a yes over here. Nice. Yo, all right. What else was there? There was another thing I wanted to answer. I just don't even know. 12 points. Yo, great. That was really worth it. Oh, hilarious. I think that it's because of this guy, so let's just do this and let's redo and go in here. There you go. I wasn't able to predict. Bummer, man. That's too small. That's what she said. Amazing. 2 points! This is how mods are actually made. Yo, let's take a look at this. This is a great new tutorial. No, wait. Shut up, Kaupenjoe. This is a great new tutorial by the one and only Kaupenjoe on how mods are created. Let's take a look. Just move my mouse and click buttons and somehow the textures appear on the screen. This is exactly how I feel like with code. I just do this. Do you? And then this, right? When I go to sleep, next day I wake up, all of a sudden I have a mod. I don't know how it happens. I don't know how it works. It just works. Wow. What a freaking revelation. Kaupenjoe the master. Wear cat ears. They're hurting my real ears when I wear them. It's not good. Also, it's worth getting into count clips. Absolutely. Todd Howard approved. I'm gonna make it so that I'm gonna be the one that says it just works, okay? But in a positive way. Yo. This will get into count clips. Yay. Oh. Of course. Excuse me? I've not been able to get clips over here. That's what I'm doing. I'm farming clips. It's all a very interesting strategy to farm clips over here. Let's see. Let's get the ears ready, and then we'll see what we'll see, I guess. All right. No prediction right now because it already works, and it's like just before for the translation. We don't really need a prediction for that. We'll just see whether or not our freaking portal ears are looking back at us. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. I don't know why it's so hard to model. I mean, I know that it's hard to model, but you know. Oh, they're very small. Okay, that's not... that's very small. Yeah, that's not quite right, is it? I think I know what the issue is. because they sort of clipped into the head, they're Z fighting. But like, how do I make one above the other? I don't know. And I'm unsure if I want to try today, to be honest with you. 0.25 might be enough. We'll see. I'm the one that selected for you to go Olympics, participate in both of them. Match in math and biology. Yo, you're going to the math and biology Olympics? Yo, that's crazy. Kaupenjoe licking some cream. Excuse me? Excuse me? That is an X to doubt moment if I ever heard one. Dun, 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 la, 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 la. Nah, that's not happening. You did. I never did such a thing. Right now. Not sure about that. Not sure about that. But what I am sure about is that the... Oh, we gotta size those up, man. That's what I have to do. Well, let's do it after we're done here. After it's loaded. We have to size this up. That's what I have to do. Jeez, man. I'm like, just worried about the translation. No, it doesn't matter. The translation doesn't matter. What matters is the freaking scaling. That's what matters. Chat is not even gonna acknowledge it. They're all gonna be like, no. Kaupen caught in 4K watching his own tutorials. That's a good one. That's a good one. I like that. I like that. Look at it. Let's take a great new tutorial. No, wait. Shut up, Kaupenjoe. Exactly. Like, every time. Like, he keeps talking about stuff. What is he talking about? He doesn't make any sense, right? Like, his tutorials, they are good, right? Like, they, you know, it's okay. But, like, have you ever looked at 30 Wordy or, you know, what is the other guy? Man, I've forgotten his name. Frick, man. Technovision is the other person. They have, like, stopped for a long time. That's why I didn't remember the name. They're also pretty good, okay? And then he's coming over here. Just like, bleh. There you go, tutorials. Okay, what do you have to say? This is a great new tutorial. Oh, by the one and only Kaupenjoe. Of course. He would say that. Of course he would say that. On how mods are created. A great tutorial on how mods are created. That doesn't even make any sense. How mods are created doesn't make any sense to make a tutorial on. That's not a tutorial. That's like a how-to. This is exactly how I feel like with code. I just do this. Do you? And then this, right? When never. I go to sleep, next day I wake up, all of a sudden I have a mod. I don't know how it happens. Yeah, I mean, sure, you can be surprised. You can make your surprise face. Doesn't make it true, though. Doesn't make it true at all. It just works. Wow. It's a conspiracy. What a freaking revelation. No, whatever. He's talking BS. That's what I can say. That's what I can say. No, okay. Kaupenjoe hates his own voice. That is actually not true, because I actually have no issues with my voice whatsoever. And that's actually one of the things that I have also said to aspiring content creators. If you hate your voice and you can't watch yourself on stream or something like that, you cannot be a content creator properly. You have to be able to watch your voice and to watch your streams back and all of that. It does not work otherwise. It does not work. You cannot do it. You told yourself to shut up. That doesn't mean that I hate... if I tell someone to shut up, it's not that, you know... Not that you hate your voice when you tell someone to shut up, you know? You have also understand everyone feels weird hearing their own voice. I actually don't feel weird hearing my own voice. I have not... I've conquered this issue long ago. I understand that, yes, I don't feel weird. I have no issues. Yeah, but conquered. I mean, sure. Initially it does. Man, I can't remember, like, how long ago that was the case. Because, like I said, I just worked with it for so long, and it doesn't matter to me anymore. So that's why I have no issues. And, yeah, I've watched parts of the 12-hour stream back, and it was very enjoyable, actually. So, you know, is it possible to learn this power? I think it has something to do with just powering through for a little bit. So basically, if you're like, oh, that's so cringe, it's like, I don't know. When I watch a video back of mine, I literally am not thinking about, like, I'm not thinking about, oh, this is me talking right now. I'm just like, okay, this is like a video. I remember my first video, 2 years, I stopped caring. Yeah, 2 years, I think it was faster for me. It was faster for me. But yeah, it depends. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, don't think about your voice, think about editing it. Also the case, yes. But at this point, I don't care. Like, when I watch back some streams, because sometimes, can you do a surprise face? There you go. That was a quick one, though. I think that, oh, that's too far down. What the frick? Okay, that's weird. Editing the video, there. Why would that be the case now? I literally didn't, what? I'm so super confused right now. That's really confusing. I think I have to scale it by 100. You know what? We'll scale it by 10 just for some laughs over here. Let's scale it by 10, not by 100 though. By 10, I think that's okay. Yeah, but I mean, you know, look, it is what it is. You're gonna have to get used to it. When I watch my streams back to like look at like stuff what that can be done better, I think that it's usually I can just like watch them and I don't know what it is, but I can like completely divorce myself from, oh, this is me in the stream right now. It's crazy. It's insane. I think there's something wrong with me. In a positive way though. In a positive, okay, then let's not say it like that. I think I have a unique advantage to doing streaming and videos, as I can watch myself on stream, or like I can watch my streams back and have no cringe reaction to it whatsoever. That's a positive adaptation, I would say. Adaptation. Yeah, I was the same when I was doing videos and streaming. Didn't mind listening to my voice. Absolutely. I tried making an entity and gave up just making the foot. I'm annoying. No one said that. I don't know where that comes from. I did make it 10 by 10, so the feeling that what? Wait, are they so big that I can't see them? No, they're below the ground. Oh frick, man. Because look at them, like at the, oh my god, they're too far down. They're way under him. Oh god, okay, we gotta move those up. We gotta move those up. Let's move them up by 10. That should probably work. Well, I mean, I can build it, but like it doesn't matter. I've already stopped running it. Oh, there it is. Kaupenjoe gets roasted by Kaupenjoe. Also pretty good. I think, shall we continue? Listen, I'm okay with continuing this for a long time. Okay. I'm okay with that. Kaupenjoe gets roasted by Kaupenjoe. Okay, first of all, we're gonna, you know, speed this up by like 0.5, because like honestly, okay. And what do you have to say? Come in over here, just like what? There you go, tutorials. Okay, what do you have to say? Oh, excuse me? Of course. He would say that. Of course he would say that. On how mods are created. A great tutorial on how mods are created. That doesn't make any sense. You know, I hate these haters. They come in and they talking about stuff they don't understand at all, right? Listen to this. How mods are created. It doesn't make any sense to make a tutorial. What do you mean? Like how-to. A how-to and a tutorial is literally the same thing. Also, Lex Skywalker, thank you for the follow as well. Thank you. Yeah, what is it about? See, he's not even saying anything. Like, what kind of a reaction is this, right? He's just watching a stream of a guy of a stream who's... No, listen, okay? I'm gonna rewind for a bit. Like, he's just watching a stream of a guy who's watching a stream. Like, what kind of a reactionception is this? Yeah, I mean, sure, you can be surprised. You can make your surprise face. Doesn't make it... Get the frick out of here, man. Let's continue. Oh, man, that's so good. That's so good. This is the future of streaming, okay? This is the future of streaming. I already got 4 clips out of that. Oh, that's perfect, man. That's so good. Ooh, React channels be like, it's true though, it's true. Hey, listen, the React I did in the 12-hour stream was pretty good. Thank you, Calm. I'm so happy right now. It didn't work. Or the 10 was way too much. It probably was way too much. Ah, bummer. But I'm telling you, like the React I did in the 10-hour stream, 12-hour stream, that was pretty good. They're definitely sky high. Ah, well, you know. I think 10 is too... It's not good. Yeah, I don't think that that's a good idea. I think it's a very bad idea to go like that crazy. I think 1 is already too much, right? It's like... Oh, wait a second. Oh, wait. Positive is down, actually. What you want to do is you want to go up. So it should have been negative 10. Ah, yes, of course. That does make a lot of sense. So we're going to do 0.51 here again, one more time. I'm going to try... The issue is, Lucky, I tried to hot swap it before, but it doesn't work. And I believe that it doesn't work because it's not creating a new instance of the vector class over here. So it's not rerunning the create hats. So that's why it doesn't work. Can you do an angry face? At this point, I'm not going to do an angry face because I am unsure of what you're trying to create here. Yeah, some rendering stuff doesn't hot swap. Yeah. Why is positive down? I have no idea. I don't know. I can't tell you. Maybe the slime is like rotated around by like 180 degrees or something like that. There's an issue with angry faces where it just looks like constipated. Can you do an angry face? Now Pedro is asking for it as well? What is going on here? Someone is doing sus stuff over here. No. Someone is doing some sussy stuff. Listen, this ain't a thing. This ain't a thing over here. You think I was born yesterday? I have to do faces for my thumbnails as well. Kaupenjoe defends himself from himself. Okay, listen, guys. I don't know how long I can keep the Twitch clips up, but I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do at least one more. Wait a second. Okay. Oh, before we look at this, we have an interesting clip over here. Kaupenjoe defends himself from whom? That's gonna be interesting. From Kaupenjoe, season 1, episode 2. What the frick? And then he's drinking. I mean, of course. You know, I hate these haters. They come in and they talking about stuff they don't understand at all, right? Listen to this. What do you mean? How to and a tutorial is literally the same thing. Also, Lex Skywalker. And then in the middle of this, in the middle of actually critiquing this, he thanks a follower. Get the frick out of here, man. Get the frick out of here. All right, let's see. Let's see. Help cat. I don't know where it is. It's below it. It's below it. Okay, so now it's gonna unbelievable. it's below the thing. Spider-Man meme but with Kaupenjoe. Absolutely, do it. Do it. I love how, you know, we've been changing literally like 2 numbers over here for like the last half an hour, but we're just laughing our ass off by me reacting to my own clips. That's so good. You can see it reloaded, but what happens is that it doesn't change it, as you can see. So, for whatever reason, it doesn't work. Ah, man. That's great. Oh, man. That's absolutely amazing. Let's do 0. Let's try 0 one more time, and if it doesn't work, then we're gonna move on to playing some chess. Can you do a sad face? No. Imagine if this turns into a 1,000 episode series of clips. Listen, what we can do is like, you know, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make like 5 of those clips every stream. And then at some point, we're going to have, you know, 1,000 episodes of that. It's going to be great. It's going to be absolutely amazing. And then the first one is going to be so tiny at the end. So tiny that it's going to be, that's going to be great. That's amazing. Da 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 la da 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 da. He's doing a face. It's Kaupen face. Yo, Face Off, the 1997 movie of that year. I don't know if it was a movie of the year. I can't believe that it now works. That's so stupid. The last try and it works. I mean, kind of, right? Like it's more or less like okay, right? I feel like that's okay. Hide your kids, hide your wife. I think that's fine. Look, in the real, it's not actually that bad. It doesn't look that far away from cat ears. Please at least give me that. Like, it's not like... Okay, listen, they're not the greatest thing ever. But, like, come on, okay? They're definitely not the worst cat ears you've ever seen. They're fine. Thank you. That's all I wanted to hear. My dream has come true. Finally. Someone likes my model. Oh my god. Oh god. Get that frick out of here, man. They're passable. I'll take passable, man. I'll take it any day of the week. That's good. They just work. Yeah, they just work. Added cat ears and Kaupenjoe face. Kaupenjoe versus. I don't know. Okay, this is gonna be the last one to this stream, Arch. Okay, we're not gonna do any more. We're gonna do the next one next stream. Okay, because it has to be like I have to react for it when it's like, you know, another day. What is this? What? I don't know how long I can keep the Twitch clips up. What? But I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do we have to do 2x here. What is it? Wait a second. Okay, before we look at this, we have an interesting clip over here. And then, once again, like, he interrupts freaking Minecraft. Why? And he's drinking. I mean, of course. I hate these haters. They come in. Thank you. This is insane, man. And then, in the middle of actually critiquing this, he thanks a follower. Yeah, but, like, obviously you want to thank your followers. And then especially if you were to subscribe with Twitch Prime to get the awesome emotes of my channel, that would be even better. Right? That would be the best. Now, then look at this. He doesn't even finish the clip. Get the frick out of here. I cannot believe this. Can you believe this? The person who is just going to subscribe with Twitch Prime. Oh man, this is great. This is awesome. What's happening? I just got here. Well, you are in for a treat. Abra, you are in for a treat. Oh man, that's so good. What a great freaking man. That's so... Oh, I love that. Oh, man. That's really good. Alright, let's do this. Kaupen judging Kaupen for what he said about Kaupen. Absolutely. Oh, man. That's really good. I just love that. That's so good. Well, anyway, let's see. This series is gonna get very deep and very dark. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna go insane. That's what I'm telling you. It's gonna go freaking nuts. But I love it. I want to see that I want to see that work. All right, let's see. So, look at this. We're gonna do this now. I'm gonna play some chess because I need to distract myself from modding. Now we did have a few people who wanted to play with me. Now the real question is, Astromonkey, are you still there? And if you are, then you're gonna have the first game. Yes, there they are. Do I have you on my friends list already, or is this do you can add me basically? It's fine. How do we do this? Well, you can add me. I'm called Kaupenjoe, as you can imagine. Oh, by the way, I've been doing no. I love how it's like no. Hang on. Okay, that's... Wow. Okay. Guess how many videos do you have? I have about 400 videos on the main channel, I think. Yep, it's exactly 400, actually. My 400th video came out today. Clip that. That was great. 405. Yeah, that's probably like... there's a few shorts that don't really count, or I don't count in the main rotation. And I think the first... stream the first state of the channel I also do not count in my like schedule stuff, because I have a schedule and I have like I name all of my videos YT and then the name of the number of what YouTube video it is, so that I know I have everything in order basically. That's why I know like what number of video I am on basically. Recommended match. Interesting. Daily matches. We did it ourselves in IntelliJ. We found we did not find ourselves in IntelliJ. We found ourselves in Kaupenjoe. That is kind of weird. Alright, we found ourselves on chess.com once again over here. And then we're going to see what we can see. We're going to play with a few viewers over here, with a few Twitch chatters. How to add a friend. I don't know, actually. I need to get better at chess. I also need to get better at chess. I don't know. Maybe you could just do like friends over here. Maybe this guy. And then invite friends. Find friends, probably. This guy over here. Astro Monkey. Monkey? No results found. Are you Monkey on here? That would be a crazy coincidence if that's not you. That would be crazy. Insane. I need to get better chess. Okay, listen. I have the following goal. All right? This is the following goal. Or the series I want to do. I want to do the following series. Now, Harrow is already going to say to me, you are insane. And I'm going to say, listen, the series can go on for 2 or 3 years. It doesn't matter. I sent you an invite. That's perfect. There it is. Perfect. All right. Now, the series I want to do is this. Road to 1,373 ELO. That's such a smart idea. Because it's 1337. It's a funny number. And also, it's a high enough goal that it's going to take a long time. But it's also like not that high of a goal that it's like unattainable forever. I'm already 9 over 7 in puzzles. I've been doing good on puzzles, I'm telling you. All right, let's see. Let's go with the first one over here. Let me actually get this out of here. Let me get this a little bit less, and then we'll see. You will have to learn for that. That is totally fine. I have no issues with that. I'm going to challenge you, and we're going to not have this rated, and it's going to be a 10-minute game. And there we go. So you should have somewhere along, you should have a question about it. Yeah, challenge me 10-minute rated. Oh, I did unrated for the time being. You can also just decline, and then I'm going to do it again if you wanted to have rated necessarily. Yeah, what is the best IntelliJ version? I don't really like deal with like versions. Let me do rated then. Let me do rated. Play with a friend. Ghost tree. If you want to do rated, we can do rated. I mean, I don't care. Either way. Like, either way that you want. So you say it's okay, then we're gonna do not rated because I don't want you to either lose stuff there or me lose stuff. If you learn like 3 hours a week, you should probably be by end of the year. Game aborted. Great. Absolutely. What's the best Unity version? Once again, the versions really don't matter. Okay, so we aborted this. Now the real question is, why? I did not do it. Okay, we're just having your division has started. Yeah, well, I don't care. Let's do unrated. All right. That's what we're going to do. Then, challenge. 10 minutes. Unrated. Whatever. There you go. Okay, we have this now. Okay, then let's see. Darker as well. Hello. Hello and welcome to some chess over here. Just chilling. Playing against a few viewers. All right, let's see. White. And then also Astromonkey. Turn off at least the chat and stuff like that. Okay, why did it abort again? I didn't do this. I don't know. It just aborted on its own. I don't know why it didn't. What I don't know. Yeah, I don't know either. I just moved my pawn and then it didn't work. Retry, please. I've already requested a rematch. There you go. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if this works now or if some weirdness happens again. Okay. And now also turning off the stuff over here. And also I'm not gonna read chat or like, not as crazy. Yeah, let's just like, let's just see. Let's just do some stuff over here. I'm terrible at chess, but I can try, lol. I mean, like I'm also not that great. Well, I mean, I can do this just for the sake of argument, but that would, let's go here. I could have also done interesting stuff. Okay, so it's going to here. Probably threatening something like this, right? So this guy and this guy. But, that's not, I'm not, like, worried about that at all at the moment. I could also just do this, like re-threatening this issue. I mean, that's not the worst thing. But I would be okay. What about like something like this? Like being crazy aggressive over here. Because they can't do that. And then I'm having like, threatening something like this as well. Just like as an interesting idea. I don't know. I'm kind of in a blind spot right now. Can't really get this guy out. Let's just do this. Let's see. Okay. I'm sometimes unsure of myself, like what do I want to do, basically. Like where do I want to go? Also, we got Ang_XDD. Thank you for the follow as well. Thank you, thank you. So now this becomes even more interesting to me, to be honest with you. Because it just feels like, it's me. Hello. Let's do it. I'm pretty sure that it's not hung piece. Okay, that's interesting. But like, what? Take? And then I'm threatening your knight here as well? I don't really mind. Also the founder of Kyanite Mods. Oh, okay, fair. Okay, fair. What about this guy? I kind of feel like that could be an interesting... I mean, of course, like, one of these, but like, why not? Why not try it? Why not try it out? You know, threatening the queen over here. That's absolutely respectable move. Not that bad. Now, what could, of course, happen if I go here? This could happen. Which is kind of annoying. But sometimes you got to deal with that, right? Like, sometimes it just has to happen. So, I'm thinking about, like... I don't think this is a good trade. It's so interesting. When I'm going through the analysis of my things, right? I just see way more of the board, it feels like. And while I'm in game, while I'm like working on it, it just feels completely different. Okay, so it's threatening the knight over here. Do I really care about it? Because once again, if take, then take, then take, then threatening this knight, then take, then get out. I don't know. I don't know if I like this line. So it's like I can go through the lines. I just don't. I never know like where they're going or if they like matter or not. Also, I do have this guy protected via this as well, which could actually be a good thing. But I don't know if there's like a lot of stuff over here. Also, I kind of want to get this guy out as well. Yeah. So this is sort of my issue, right? I'm thinking about too many things at once, and I'm not 100% sure like where do I want to focus, because obviously like he's probably going to take, but that's going to be an even deal. And then he's going to take again, threatening this guy. Now, the real question is, do I get anything from this, like, being not there? I don't know. So I could just do this and then do this. And then get another piece without this guy being developed. Although he does have this freaking crazy diagonal over here. Or I can just throw a curveball and just, like, do this, but, like, that doesn't do anything. So I feel like I'm gonna take. Did this take way too long to do this? Abso-fucking-lutely. Does it not really matter? I don't know. It does. I genuinely don't know. Because it's, like, it's hard to say. I think that this guy is also really an issue. I kind of want to do this. Trying to pin the knight on the king. But for that, I have to push this guy. Now, if he takes, I take, he takes, I take, he takes. Terrible trade. Absolutely awful trade for me. If I go... Oh, that's not good. I can do this. Opening... Oh, what about this, though? That's an interesting idea. Yeah, actually. I think this might be an interesting idea, because, like, threatening this guy. Like, sure, this, but then also just like that. So... Oh, that could be interesting. That could be interesting over here. It might be some interesting variation over here. I'm just down, you know, like 3 minutes to him, but, you know, to them I would say. But, you know, whatever. It's interesting. Oh, man. 3 minutes down. Castles. Great choice. That's great choice over here. Can there be anything that I can do against that? I mean, I do have my... black square bishop here. The only issue here is that the knight is obviously hemmed in a little bit, because like it literally can't go anywhere except for back, more or less, like to here, which is just, I don't know. I mean, it's like okay, I guess, right? It like defends a few positions, but it's not the best idea. Just to get this guy over here, something like that, to like threaten something like this. But, like, then it's like, why would you do that, right? Like, why would that be a thing? So, I think that... man, I just hate this. I love that I hate it as well. It's great. I can still do this. Like, you know, I don't know why. That's sort of the issue, right? It's like, why would I do that? There's literally no reason for it. So I don't know. But I mean, it would enable like castling, but to get at least the rook over here, which could be interesting. But then this would also do the same thing, and it would be a little bit safer. Then I get this file. Does that make sense? Probably not. It definitely doesn't make sense to... Also, Pablo, hi. Okay, so now he pushed. Do I care about that? Because I'm unsure if I do. Because even if take, then take, and now with this, I get the open file. So I'm unsure if, like, the take really matters to me. It might, but I don't think so. Because once again, if take, then I take. Now I got the open file over here. Like, insanely strong. I can move the queen up, have an even stronger file, double it up already with the queen and there. Now this guy is interesting. How about I push? So that, and then, I mean, yeah, I'm probably going to take. Then I take. Then I take, because that's now hung. Yo. Good, like, I have to go now. Bye. All right, Albert. Thank you for joining us, though. I kind of like this. Maybe there's a blind spot somewhere. There actually is a blind... there is not a blind spot. There is not a blind spot. Very good. But I have to think about... Oh, actually, it's even better than a blind spot. It's totally fine. Yeah. I think that this would be a positive trade for me, actually. Okay, I mean, that's terrible for me. I mean, not terrible, but, like... The trade would have been nice. Would have been interesting. But then the question comes, okay, like, what can we do now? Also, this guy is not in the game at all, which is terrible. So what if I do this? Still probably this. Take. Oh! Wait, do I come out ahead on this? So it's pawn via pawn. I get the bishop. He gets the knight. I get the knight. I come out ahead. No, it's like... No, I come out ahead of bishop, I think. Let's just try it. Like, we got to do something. Something has to happen here, right? And if this is the thing that's going to happen, then this happens, okay? Now, we just have to make sure that we do this in the correct order. Otherwise, we're going to be fricked. It's also interesting whether or not they are going to do it in the correct order. Okay. Taking with a pawn. I take with a pawn. They might not even take, which is great. I don't mind that, actually. I'm okay with that. Oh, am I okay with that? Because now this pawn is hung, then. I mean, it doesn't matter that much. But then also this pawn is hung. Frick, man. That's not good. I mean, I could also just, like, do this. And then take with the queen if they, like, take. If they're, like, crazy enough to do that. Wait, would that make sense? If take, then I take. Threatening this guy and this guy. And I still have this as well. I honestly think I should keep it there. I honestly think I shouldn't care about this. Or I could do that. I mean, once again, but why? I shouldn't care about that. I think I should do this. As crazy as it sounds. I mean, I am so down on time. It is crazy to me. I'm taking way too long on these moves. But this is a thing. This is why we're playing. See, and now this is interesting. Because once again, this is a hung pawn. This doesn't do anything. And I think, if I see this correctly, this is a great move. Because I'm pretty sure this is hung. Like, there's no way to... And then now I'm threatening this guy, which is insane threat. I can also do this. I mean, okay. But, like, does that matter? There's no fork. I mean, he's got this guy, and then... But, like, does that make sense? Well, we can also escalate the threat. How can I threaten another piece? That would happen if I were to do this, for example. Then this would happen. Maybe. Maybe this would happen, which is actually... or maybe also this would happen. We could also do this, threatening the same guy. Here, and then he has to make a decision whether or not he wants to take this piece, or... Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. So that's bishop versus bishop then. But that's also checkmate. Okay, that's fair, but, like, I mean... Okay. I don't really... it doesn't really matter that much. Let's just make sure that we're not going into check anywhere. Well, he can go down here. And he could also go down here. So I think this makes the most sense. Where can he go? I think this probably makes the most sense. Yes. And then the queen is gone. Interesting. Fascinating. I can't just take with the king. It doesn't matter at that point. And then this guy makes no sense at all. I'm just going to take the queen. That's a check. This could be checkmate. But at the same time, if I go back to the white squares, I should be fine. Now, then this happens. It would make sense, I would imagine. Because then, you know, basically preparing to do something like this. That's what I would see, what I would imagine. I think so, at least. So that could be a thing. That. I mean, that actually also makes a lot of sense. I didn't even consider that. I can block with this guy. Doesn't really make sense at all. I would advise to stop Crown Sheep, otherwise we're going to time you out. It's totally fine to chat, but that's just stupid. Yes, no, that's not what I want to see. Well, the question here comes in, where do we want to go? And I think the answer is that there really is not a good location for us to go. Also, 20 seconds left. I feel like there's not a lot of time to deliberate. I mean, at this point, he can't just, like, continue to check me. Interesting. Fascinating. That is very fascinating. Now, the question is, where's checkmate over here? That's the question. Where's checkmate over here? I don't know. I mean, at this point, it's just like, I don't have anything. I literally don't have anything. Now, you might ask, why is this the thing? I have no idea. I'm just doing stuff. Because, like, I don't have any, listen, I didn't have any time. So there you go. 4 blunders. Interesting. Let's see. Let's take a look at this. Of course they were a good sport. That's great. Thank you. All right, let's see. I have 1 game review a day that I have available over here. And what is, like, clearly the thing that you can absolutely see is that 59. So I was actually up by a lot. There was a great blunder over here. But then I immediately blundered afterwards with this guy, which I thought was such a smart move, but there you go. Okay, so overall, excellent move. Let's see. Excellent, good, fine. There was, like, 1 inaccuracy, but that's not, like, too bad. Like, right, and then, like, a blunder, and then I immediately blundered afterwards, which is hilarious. What is it? What is it? You're losing material this way. There was only 1 good move there. You know, let's be honest. 1 good move, that's kind of hard to see, especially after being down 4 minutes or 6 minutes. I mean, you know, only having 4 minutes over here compared to them. That's kind of a bummer. So I feel like I don't know. What would be the hint? This pawn. So they actually want me to push this pawn over here. So the trade here actually would have been interesting. Now, I mean, they probably would have done this, right? That's interesting to me, that this is the trade. And then I do this. Probably, but then you get the discovered threat to this guy. Even if they take, which is actually a mistake, interestingly enough. Oh, you want to do this to threaten this guy. Oh, man. Fascinating. Well, I didn't see that line. Well, fair enough. And then I think that the other blunder was this to here. I thought that this was such a good move. Look at this, right? I went from, like, basically being equal to being down 5 pieces. That's crazy. Or 5 points. That's crazy. That's crazy. Probably could have taken. No, actually, you know what? This would have been the take. Still, right? No, that would blunder. He wants me to do this to threaten this guy because he's hung. Fair. All right. I mean, look, that's okay. That's totally fine. Alrighty. That's okay. Was there anyone else who wanted to play, or shall I just play a few random matches? If there's anyone out there in the great ether. Hero, want to kick my ass again? Oh, can I try? Absolutely, Dakota. Absolutely. We can, you know, if you have you can add me as a friend. It's just Kaupenjoe, or I can add you as a friend, and then we can just try it. Dakota Prime Modding. Is this the same name? Oh, there they are. Add friend. A request is sent. So if you go to the pawn over here, you should see this under alerts. And then you should be able to add me there. There it is. Challenge. And then we're going to do 10 minutes and not rated. And there you go. I have sent a request, Dakota. So we'll see. Astro, we'll do, you know, I'm gonna play with Dakota and then we'll see. Messages. Ah. You are now friends. Nice. Hey, Kaupenjoe. Okay, interesting. Me was trying to challenge you instead of writing here first. Fair, that's okay. I mean, that's okay. As I'm unsure, Dakota, where you're gonna see it. I think I think at the bottom right corner of the screen somewhere. I think so. I think that's like the case. Or if anyone else knows like where exactly to accept this, then you know, you might also be able to like go on my profile and see it there. I'm unsure. What else can I do like on the size here, by the way? Oh, I can actually make this completely big. In the friend thingy. You might be able to see it in the friends. Don't worry, it keeps like, it stays up, so it's not like there's a time limit on it. Like, if you don't accept in 5 seconds, then it goes away. That's not the case. I would imagine it's like something about friends, and then somewhere where it's like, hey, this person challenged you to a rapid game. Could be. Can I pre-move? I can't. Pre-move the entire game? Yeah, because that's the level I'm at. How to accept chess challenge, chess.com challenge. There literally is the first thing. See the Seeks tab. The frick? If someone sends you an individual, you should automatically see the link come up. You should automatically see it come up. Oh, we got a little bit of a hydrate, absolutely. 3 hydrates over here. Let's see. Alright. Alrighty. The first hydrate. The second hydrate. The third hydrate. They went hard on. Okay. And then why would you not play chess with me, Nano? Let me do this again. Okay, let me do another one. Play Dakota 10 not rated whatever. And in theory, what should happen is that if now there should be a link somewhere that comes up for you on the screen if you're not doing anything. In theory. Ah, there we go. Nice. Of course I'm white again. There you go. Okay. Don't forget to mute chat and not look at it. Ooh, interesting choice over here. That's very interesting to me. How about we go for this then? That's an interesting one. Oh, damn. Now we're going crazy over here. Yeah, okay. Absolutely. Okay. That could... I mean, you can do that. I mean, now I don't feel like... I mean, I might... Oh, interesting question here. That's very interesting question. And this is the response to it. I have no idea. I mean, this is a very strange game. You know, what can happen here is like... I mean, okay, like... Listen, we're gonna give Dakota a little bit of leeway over here. They are 212, so calm down. But also, you know... Listen, they have more cojones than some other people who were afraid to play at all, right? So don't even start with me. Oh, but I think this is such a beautiful move, right? Because if this, then this, then this. Oh, look at that. Look at this now. Oh. You know, that's a great move, actually. That's a great move. Because that, like, completely neutralized the threat. So I'm not even mad about that. I'm like, really, that's actually really good. Now this is like such a strange position that I don't even know what to do here, because it really is very, like, it's very unconventional. I feel like something like, I mean, I should probably do this to, you know, just in case. Sure. Let's, like, not go too crazy. This doesn't do anything. Maybe, like... this guy's gonna come out soon, I'm sure. But if this, then that, I'm okay with that. I would be okay with that. How about I get my own one out over here? How about that one? Going, like, hard on this. And then we can do this. Next. It's a unique position that's never been played before. Probably, and listen, okay? There's a lot of positions that have never been played before in chess. You can go to chess.com and see, like, how often certain positions have been played. Yo, that's actually a really good move, I think. That might actually be a really, really good move. Because this is actually defended here. So, that's not too bad. Not too shabby. Also, you got this crazy diagonal here. So, I'm not even sure if I want to do anything. Now, I might want to do this. To threaten this guy. Well, I can't do that, but like, why overcomplicate things? Should I just take and then get this guy in, and then this one's pinned? It doesn't really do anything to me. I feel like I should push. See, I'm still down time because I'm still deliberating too much about stuff. Right, I'm still thinking about it too much. I don't think this was a good move because this like actually is like a little no, actually really annoying. That would actually be really annoying. Now here this guy comes in. I'm unsure because and then I could just push this guy, which is probably better. This, then take. Probably not a smart idea. This. And then, like, this. Let's try it. This is called the no castle gambit. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm calling it. Ooh, now we're getting very interesting, actually. So, like, I can't take, but then this guy can just proceed. What if I were to do, like, this? And then they have to, like, decide with which pawn to take. They might do that, which I actually don't want. That's like one of the things I don't want to have happen. Now, I could also just get this guy out. That would give me this. See, this is what I'm saying, right? I have to be faster with my thinking, in a lot of ways. Man, I can't even do that. This is strange. What if I did this? What if I did this? Has nothing, like literally no benefit at all. Right, but if they take, what happens to me? Nothing. Nothing really. Try it. That's okay. But you know, you gotta try stuff. Okay, so they take here. Now the question is, now this opens up this guy, but that's important detail here. So I want to do this. Definitely. Yeah, and that is, ooh. So that would be the issue here, but we'll definitely talk about it. I probably can't do that. Okay, now we got this one, but now wait. Oh, okay, that's actually, honestly, that's not too bad because with the bishop gone, that's like not that crazy. Like I'm actually like impressed in a lot of ways because it's very weird. It's a very weird position to be in. No, I can't go here. That does not work. I want to defend. I want to basically like. I mean, that literally makes no sense. But at the same time, I'm also like, why wouldn't I? Right? Why wouldn't I castle over here? Because then at least I have the rooks sort of in play. Yo, this is wild. I don't even know. This could very well be a win for them, by the way. Like, I'm not, you know. So, came out here. Interesting. Now, the real question is this, right? What if I did, like... What if I did this? And like wait, I mean, probably that, right? That would be my guess. I could go here, though. No one's going to stop me from that. Like, I mean, and this is not going to happen anytime soon. I could also go here and, like, take this. But then also, I mean, then this, this. Nah. Maybe, like... I have to move this guy first. Because otherwise, I'm dealing with this threat. Which, I mean, is like, it's unlikely that a 200 is going to see that, but still. So this actually opens up, I think, quite a bit. Because it opens up this. I mean, and then it opens up to me getting my ass whooped. So how about we don't do that? How about we try this? I mean, it seems like it hems in the queen even more, right? But it also protects from this guy. And it also gives me this square to, like, do something with. So, like, something like this, then the black squared bishop is at least out of the game. You know what I can do? Oh, this is like really, this is like, this, it feels wrong, doesn't it? Oh, it feels wrong. Because, like, that would be, ooh. Oh, I don't know, man. Listen, you can only, oof. You can only learn when you're, I mean, learning, I guess, right? Another question is, does it even make sense to take the queen? Because couldn't I, like, do something, like, fancy? I don't think so. I think getting rid of the queen is, like, the best idea over here. Because that's also gonna open up something like this. I think. So, that's, like, once again. But can I also, by the way, can we talk about the fact that I am actually, like, down on time to an insane degree? Which is crazy. Okay, I think I can clean up, because if this, then this to check. Yeah, that's gonna be it. It might actually be already something like made in 4 or made in 6 or something like that, but it seems yeah, like the issue really is, like, once the queen is gone, it's gonna be very hard. Oh damn, a snipe from across the pond. This might have, I mean, look, I mean, at the end of the day, I'm just gonna take, right? Like, this is, like, the issue here. Man, once they come back, you know, it is, you know. But this is the thing. You learn as you play. The issue really is with the game, you have to play a lot of games until, I should have done this before. Yeah, because that, I don't know, that might have not been, like, a smart, actually, Pythias, we're not doing any help. Well, they can do this. Fair. That is actually a bad one at that point. No worries, no worries. No, you don't have to stay quiet. You just, okay, let me think about this. I want to cut off this. Let me think about this. What do? I do this. So then they can't, then the king can't cross this line anymore. They also can't cross this line. And then I can probably bring it into easy mate, right? I think? Something like that? Man, this is stupid. Because the issue is if I do this, they can just, like, flee in this direction, right? I'm not that good at endgames, as you can clearly see, right? I join yet and think you play calm. No worries, no worries, no worries. So this is actually very interesting, but, you know, obviously, like, the way to defend it is just threatening something like this. Which is, like, also very close to checkmate, actually. And then this is checkmate, I think. I have to double check. Take it. I'm okay with it. Take it. I mean, look, at this, you know, because, like, it can't do anything, right? What are you talking about, Kaupenjoe? Yo. Threatening to take this guy. Look at this. That's really good. But, like, if I did this, then you can't take. Yes. That's, once again, that's fine. Now, I want to do this. In the hopes that this happens. This is an interesting one. Because this is, like, actually a good, yeah. And then this is checkmate. Now, once Dakota's back, yo, I did 0 blunders, excuse me? That's insane. What are you talking about? So I played the game of my life, right? And, okay, so first of all, engine error. What the frick? Okay, Dakota, tell me when you're back. Let's see if we can do this. Or if this does not work. No, this doesn't work. Does it work? Okay, so it worked. Okay, it sort of worked. Okay, okay. Okay, so we're actually, I want to go through this. I don't have the... Oh, Haro, do you know if you can analyze games from other people? Does that work? Does that work? Because if you can analyze this, that would be actually, like, really amazing. Because I don't want to get free diamond. I want to get diamond at some point, like, probably, like, next month when I, you know, game more. But I actually want to go through this, you know, sort of also for Dakota's sake to just, like, show, more or less. Let's see if you can do it. Like, I don't know. Or, Dakota, I think that you can also go for, go to game review, and then it should also review it. Because I think you should have one free one. Because there were actually, like, some pretty good moves in there, and I want to, like, show one particular lesson at the end there that I actually find very interesting. That's, like, one of the things that I actually got mated with. I mean, not, like, exactly this, but, like, with two rook or queen and rook, thing with the king on the 8 file. It's very interesting, actually. It's a very interesting thing indeed. I don't even know if that's like a thing. Or now it works? Okay, now for whatever reason now it does do the game review, or does it like say, hey, you're not stuff. No, now it works. It worked. Okay. Okay, listen. Now, let's see. We're gonna take a look at this. So, analyzed. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Okay, Dakota. So, let's take a look. So, first of all, right, this is a book move, right? This is like a very standard opening. That's pretty much like the opening I've been always using, like just King's Pawn. Now, the first thing, now, I am definitely not very high, right? I'm like at, I don't know, 800, 900, maybe 1,000 if I give myself a little bit of credit, but probably not. So the first lesson pretty much is you want to always try to take the center, right? Like this is like the most important part of the board. So usually the response is something like, you know, just mirroring basically what I do, or sometimes, you know, people do this, and then, you know, they're like, oh, do we want to do this? And then, you know, you go here, or something like that. So there's a lot of stuff to basically do in the middle of the board. Now, you know, this is not like the craziest, like the worst thing ever. It's just like a... Yeah, E4 is the standard opening. Fair. But, you know, this is like an interesting one to take a look at. And then I, of course, was like, okay, then I'm going to take the center, because that's like the main opening theory I have in mind, basically, at the moment. Now, this one is actually also a good move, right? Basically, you're like extremely pushing here on the, wait, on the A file? Wait, what? 7 rank A file? Yeah, on the A. And, you know, then this is actually best, fair. Then this is a mistake. So this was a first mistake. Probably because, well, it's a hung piece, right? So a hung piece is basically when I could just take it without... Oh, look at that! This would have been better. That's actually a fair call. Taking it with the bishop over here would have been better. That's crazy. I didn't even think of that. Yeah, that's fair. I did this, which is also not that bad, right? Stockfish is stupid. They are black overextending this the pawn. It could be the case. It's one of those, you know, weird things. Now, this is an inaccuracy because of the fact that, well, I mean, you know, I do this, right? Why is this the best move? But then they just do this, and then they have a free thing. That's a huge blunder? It's an inaccuracy. It's weird. Well, I mean, Dr. Quantum, you're late. No, it's all good. It's all good. But anyway, I did this, then you took, and that is, you know, where it's sort of course, right, no worries. I'm actually, like, trying to, like, be positive about it. You take it, and then I, of course, you know, just, I like how it's an inaccuracy. I feel like that's not an inaccuracy, because I feel like that's, like, you know, losing a rook early is, like, can be quite fatal, basically. Bishop protecting the knight. Yes. And then this is actually a good move. Now I take with the queen. That's actually the best move. What was my percentage? I played an 82% game. Like, can we, like, why do I... Actually, also, 66% is really good. For 200? Wait a second. Haro, back me up on this, please. 66% is huge. They made no blunders. Not really, at least. That's crazy. That's really good. Okay, so let's take a look. You take, I take. I should have once again... Yeah, this was definitely yeah, this was a wrong move, but fair enough. So I took with the queen. Then this. That's okay. That's an inaccuracy again. Then this, but best would be to push. Fair. Well, the percentage doesn't say that much. I don't know. I think it says like a little bit like much. Blunder count is more important. Well, we both didn't do any blunders. There were no blunders in this game, which is pretty freaking awesome. Like, that's really good. Okay, then this, which is a good move. Then this is the best move. Good move. Good move. Also good move. Also good move. Excellent move. This is a good move. What would they want me to do? They still want me to take the knight. Okay, that's fair, actually. Okay. Fair enough. And then this, then I take... It's interesting that this is still counted as a good move, because it feels like it's hanging the piece, but maybe there's like a... It's sometimes the engines are kind of weird, right? The engines are kind of weird. How close you play to the engine. That does some insane moves. Well, it does, but you know. Arch, hello there, hello there. Come, what's your opinion on yourself? I mean, what am I supposed to say to that? The, actually, that's fascinating to me as well. Castling best move. I think that it's the best move because, you know, it doesn't really get the king to safety, but it gets your rook out very efficiently, I think. And gets the king into a little bit more safety, basically. This is an inaccuracy. Well, I did it because I wanted to then follow it up with this. With this, right? But then, of course, this guy... that's an... Wait. That's a good move. How is that not a, like, great move? Threatening the queen. Well, probably... And then how is this an inaccuracy and not a blunder? Because, like, obviously, like, the best thing would be to do... Oh, wait, is the queen, like, absolutely... Is it goner? No, something like this would probably be better. No, absolutely not. The knight... Defending with the knight? Weird. That's weird. Wait, what are you talking about? Oh, wait, going here. Interesting. Also threatening this piece. Fair, that's absolutely fair. Send in and take with the king. I take here, you take here, I take here. Excellent move, excellent move, excellent move. Then check is a good move. Oh, I actually have mate in 2 here. Mate in 3. I knew that I had mate earlier over here. So that's mate in 3. That's mate in 2 now. That's mate in... Oh, of course, I could have just taken with the queen. Right? Because, like, they still can't take the queen, and now they have to retreat to here. And now I can do... Oh, no, that's like not at all what I wanted to do. That's forced. I still have mate in 2. This. And then they do... What do they do? Queen to here, actually. Yeah, then they do this. Queen to here. And then mate in 1 is what exactly? They have to go here. And then mate in 1 is... Oh! This check. Sorry. This check. Interesting. Twitch lawyer doesn't like you say questioning the 3. Hilarious. No, in chess is fine. Yeah. No, that was... Dakota, that was a great game, actually. Like, that was really good. Like, the percentages is pretty good. And also, literally no blunders is actually really, really nice. Like, that's a great... that's a great game. I mean, I gotta say. That's pretty awesome. Like, absolutely. Can I play? Do you have an account on chess.com? I would be willing to play one more game. Because then I'm pretty much done. I was sure that I was going to lose, but I think I did better than I was expecting. Absolutely. I mean, this is like the thing. The thing about it is that genuinely, you know, it's just about, it's about like just stuff, like just doing it, right? Because at the very beginning, so chess is 1000% a numbers game. You just have to play like hundreds and hundreds of like, yeah, let's play, Harold, let's play. Send an invite, or should I send one? I'm making an account. Okay, then let's do Arch. Let me do Arch. Harold, let me play with Arch for the last one, and then we'll play again. Maybe we'll play at Gamescom. So there you go. But yeah, absolutely. So this is the thing, right? It's just about just playing a lot of games for chess. It's a numbers game where you just play a lot of games, and then you at some point you just sort of get more and more stuff. And then we'll see. And then we'll see where this leads. Dun, 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 dun. We start a stream at Gamescom of us playing chess. Listen, if the Wi-Fi works, what's your in-game name? Kaupenjoe, of course, as always, as everywhere, hopefully. Daily games. Ah. Archspect wants to play. Yes, please. 10-minute game. You've doxed yourself. Now I know which country you're from. I actually knew what country you're from. So don't worry about it. But there you go. Oh, it's actually, this is actually, I mean, it's fine. It's okay. This is a ranked game, but that's okay. It's just the pressure that's on. Wait, excuse me. Hello? Why it's not working? Can't stream. See. You have to move. Yes, stream can see. That is what it's gonna be. Interesting. But also, I will say this arch, it's very easy to find out. Interesting. All right. Like, what is this? Like, threatening something like this? Maybe something like this or this? Interesting. I don't know, man. I feel like the country is really not doxing herself, is it? Like, I feel like this a little bit more. Also, you're not supposed to watch the stream while what anymore. I mean, that is a thing that you can do. But like, what if I did this as a response? What if I did this as a response? No, I don't like that. Oh no, wait, that's fine. Wait, this, take. I don't really care about that. Maybe this. And then this. It could also be this, because like, I don't know, but like, I feel like the queen there is like really powerful, but let's try this. I feel like this is a good position for me. Even with this, I don't really mind that. Yeah, but like, do I really care? I can just, I mean, I can also just take if I really wanted to. But I can also just do this, right? It just feels like it's not that bad. I should have done this, actually. That was... no, of course not. What the frig am I talking about? Okay, you can actually see that I'm getting a little bit less... absolutely, Murrow. Let's get a hydrate in. You can clearly see that I'm... I was above my pay grade. Fascinating. Fascinating move. This, then this. Then this. Sure. I'm okay with it because this guy can't be taken at the moment. And this is like threatened by two different... I mean, obviously, it's probably going to be a push. Interesting. Great move, actually. That is a great move. What if I did this now? Well, it's not like, you know. But what if I did this? It's actually double protected. So this. Yeah, and then this. That's the issue. So the pawn pushing here would be the issue, I think. I want to do something like this, but it might be too slow. Basically, like... for the exchange, when I do this, then he can't take. Just, What are you talking about? So I'm probably missing something over here. Like, something obvious. They're probably gonna be like, yeah, youngest queen like 3 times already. It's like, what the frick are you talking about? This doesn't work anymore. Frick, man. Probably should have done that before. God damn it. Not allowed to talk. Well, it is what it is, right? Sometimes this happens. Sometimes this does happen. Let's just do something crazy like this. Interesting. When his chess ends. Well, this is gonna be the last thing I'm gonna do, and then this is gonna be the last, and then I'm gonna end the stream actually. I think he has to defend with the queen, right? Literally. Yes, I think so. Yeah, actually, this is almost checkmate. He has to defend with the queen. That's crazy. So the queen is a goner, I'm pretty sure. Yes. So I take. I mean, he can take, but like, I don't know if that's like. I think he should. I mean, yes. Actually, he has to take, right? No, he can go here. He could have taken the knight with the pawn before. Fair, fair, fair. What about this now? Here? He's gonna continue to hunt. Wait, going back? I feel like there's a checkmate in here somewhere. Is this checkmate? No, he can go here. No, he can't. He definitely can't take. I think that's checkmate. I have to be sure about it because I'm like, I hate when I don't. No! Oh my god. It's the wrong square. Holy crap, man. See, this is what I'm saying. This is why I like double check before I'm like, oh, this is checkmate. I'm like, oh no! It was the wrong colored square. That's why I do that crap. I just don't know. I'm just unsure about it all. This is a great fork. Yes. Oh, that's checkmate. What? What? Excuse me? How is that checkmate? Really? Oh my god. It's checkmate. I literally did not know that that was checkmate. I wanted the fork over here. So there you go. I mean, it's fine. Never played before. That's fair. That's fair. That's okay. Holy craziness. 0 blunders. Alright, that's pretty good. So when did I... Okay, I had it like... I did a few like mistakes along the way, but I pretty much had it until like from here, and then here's what was mate in 1. Yo! I got the mate in 1! Let's go! I actually found it. That's crazy. Can you quickly close the profile so I don't dox myself? I mean, once again, I feel like the country of origin is like very much a thing that is not, I would not call doxing, but fair. Anyway, what a crazy day. What a crazy day it has been. A little bit of modding, a little bit of chess. I really do like the chess. I do want the... Oh, you analyze it. Yo, wait a second. Let me actually look at this for a moment. Then... And let me actually quickly take a look at this. Because I just want to, like, at least look at it once. Like I said, I'm going to get myself, diamond probably, like, next month. Okay, so no great moves. 74. Probably like a... Okay, there's just an inaccuracy. That's fair. Best move, inaccuracy, excellent mistake. Arch made a blunder. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, probably take, actually. So the correct move would be to take. Fair. That's honestly fair, actually. That's not like... I'm not, you know... Also, everyone can check your profile to see the country. That's also true. It's just the country. So that's best move, excellent move, best move. And then this is the blunder that basically makes this into a mate in 1. Because then... Ah, that's why. Because if there's like another thing played, if I were to do this, then your king can still escape to this square. But because you blocked the square with the same knight, or with the knight, then it doesn't, you can't escape to the square. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, that's a huge blunder. Yeah, this would be the best one, because then then you can take, and that actually even removes the mate in 2 over here. Which would be what exactly? This? Oh, then you have to move here. Yeah, absolutely. Then I go here. Mate in 1. Yeah. And then you take. And then you do... This. Nope, that's mate in 6. Frick. Where? Oh, you... Wait, this is mate in 1? Oh, yes, because you can't take back. Fair. Alright. There you go. So 2 blunders, and one of the blunders pretty much just cost the game at the end here, because that was the blunder which basically turned my advantage into a mate in 1. And I actually saw it, which is pretty freaking crazy. I literally just wanted to fork. Actually, I didn't even realize it was a mate in 1. But there you go. That is that. Well, what crazy things that came up today? Absolutely insane. But we'll see. I wouldn't. All right. Well, that's pretty good. That's awesome, though. I mean, it was very fun with, playing with the others as well. And I'm going to think about the series. Like I said, Road to 1337 ELO. I'm kind of thinking about it. I'm kind of thinking about, like, doing something like that. And then just also recording some stuff and stuff like that. Will you be back on Wednesday? I'm unsure because I will be at Gamescom. And we'll be at, like, some sort of event there. Like, I'm invited to an event. If I'm allowed to stream there and there's Wi-Fi, then I might want to stream from there for like half an hour or so. Otherwise, I might be back on... I might stream someday, like on Thursday or Friday. If I go through Gamescom, basically. I might do an impromptu stream somewhere there. I can't promise anything yet, but like actually scheduled is going to be on Monday. What is the next modding tutorial? So this week we have block entities, right? Tomorrow block entities Forge, and then we have recipe types in Fabric, and then recipe types and JI in Forge as well. Thank you for the hydrate here as well. That's great. Great. Every second episode will be against me, so I can evaluate how far you've gotten. I feel like every second episode is a little bit too much, but we'll see. I just want to basically start, and if I start at 800, I feel like that's a great way to start, and we'll see. We'll just see. I'm just like really interested in this. Yeah, I was joking about that. Okay, fair enough. But like, we can still like do a few episodes. Anyway, we're gonna stream this as well, and we'll see. But the next stream is gonna be next week, and yeah, apart from that, hope you found this useful. Hope you learned something new. Hope you were entertained, and I will see you all next week on Modding Monday. So, yeah.